minutes, so it may come on Monday for order.
Orders?
Order.
No. Orders for what? What is the urgency?
School managing committee will school students are
See, what is the urgency?
the students are getting problem. The exam is coming. The school students are getting problem. Millard, the exam is coming. So
So
that
is the school is not running?
school is running, but the managing committee is some problem is between dispute between the managing committee.
This is managing committee, it's okay. It will come its own turn. You tell us the urgency. Why Monday? Why should be?
Now, for the students, Millard, there are two managing committee now, Millard. That is the problem.
Who are you?
I am the outsider managing committee, and who are the working Millard, they are Millard illegal person. That is the dispute.
After 2 weeks. When is supposed to be listed?
It is to be, order.
Is a new matter?
No, Millard. It is a
It will come its own turn.
pleading completed.
There is no urgency. Why orders should be it should be listed for orders?
For disposal, Millard, otherwise
Friday.
Friday.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the petitioner, I beg to mention item number 30, Lordship.
30.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
And for the respondent number 3, 4, and 5, Lordship, we will be filing our affidavit, Lordship.
Mr.
W. Rahman.
W. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner. And learned counsel for respondent 3 and 4.
3, 4, and
3 and 4 and 3, 4 and 5. Respondent is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
Mr.
A Bhattacharya.
A Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Why? What is the urgency?
Date may be fixed, my lord.
Why? After the vacation.
Hello.
It is a lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention one interlocutory application for withdrawal for tomorrow, your lordship.
Not tomorrow. Next week.
Thanks.
Recommendation for listing a WBC lordship.
New matter.
No, lordship.
After
Next.
after vacation. After vacation.
I think one.
Nevertheless, lordship, so non-compliance order date 24/7/25, page 9, lordship order.
24/7.
Yes, page 9 the order.
Not
And
Mr.
S.U. Ahmed.
S.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Decision application under section 12 of the Contempt of Courts Act. 1971, read with article 215 of the Constitution of India. Alleging willful and deliberate violation of order dated 24/07/2025, passed in WPC 205 of 2025, issue notice and issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Learn counsel for the petitioners to take steps
Registered post.
by registered post as well as usual process within 3 working days.
I don't know.
Wait.
Yes,
Non-compliance order dated 27/2/20.
27,
27/2/2026, my lord.
2,
Yes, my lord.
27, 2.
2, my lord.
Then
27/2/2026.
1 year is not over.
Direction was within two months, my lord.
Hmm.
This is a real salary.
Still then, you minus 2 months.
Yes.
Order is
Already 3 months have gone, my lord.
okay. How Mr.
A.K. Azad.
So and so learn P.K. Hazrika.
A.K. Azad.
A.K. Azad, learn counsel for the petitioner. This is an application so and so. Alleging willful and deliberate violation of section. The order dated 27/02/2020 passed in WPC 356 of 2025. Issue notice.
Registered process, easy, my lord. Easier process of.
Speed post as well as usual process.
Of like.
Just give me this. Don't give me this. You just give this. Huh? There's no place.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, here, my lord, I am getting family pension, my lord.
Alia,
Yes, my lord, he is instructed.
you have received.
No, no, man.
Then
He is instructed to obtain.
What has happened is the bank had informed the director of pension lordship that they have misplaced the petitioner's documents for the pensioners. So pursuant to that, the director of pension had forwarded a copy of the record of the pensioner to the treasury officer, and the same was forwarded to the bank. Now for releasing of the pension to the petitioner lordship, no, on the last date lordship, I had also submitted because from the treasury we have completed all the.
why this? Hello. Why pen is in? Put up the pen.
So after that query was raised, lordship, the director of pension had forwarded the copy of the pensioner's half, which was there, to the treasury officer, and the same was forwarded to the bank. Now, for releasing the pensionary benefits to the petitioner, which lordship, if it's not disputed, then the bank has to just inform on the last date also what all is
You
required.
said that it's under examination.
Lordship, that day my instructions were not complete, so I said, let me complete my instructions from the treasury officer. So
No, you said that it's been examined on that day.
Yes, Lord. On that day it was, so the
So director has already given it to the
treasury officer has forwarded to the bank.
bank. Yes.
May I please? Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, on 12th, we have received instruction from the Treasury Office. So our office is at Kolkata. After getting information from them, we will release the pension.
When you would like to take
No.
receipt?
Yes, we have already got it from the Treasury Office.
Huh?
We have got it from the Treasury Office.
No. When you are likely to receive this thing information or whatever from the
Within
Calcutta?
10 days.
Huh?
Within 10 days.
So would dispose of the matter?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
What, Mister?
K. Uddin, my lord.
Uddin,
My lord,
learned
only,
counsel.
my lord, regarding my lord, area pension, my lord.
Huh?
Area pension, my lord.
Area pension?
A proposal was submitted to the government, my lord. I have given the copy, my lord. That was also looked. Regarding area pension, my lord. Proposal was submitted to the government, my lord. And my lord, just my
You'll be getting it. Will he not?
Regarding the
Area.
once it's sanctioned, they will get the
Everything, you'll get everything.
that communication is not with me, lordship.
You'll get everything. It's not that after 10 days from that day it will be given to you.
No, my lord.
Everything will be given, yes.
Maybe because shortage of fund, there was a proposal, my learned friend submitted that because of shortage of fund, maybe the pension was not being released.
So we cannot dispose of the matter.
My lord, it can be disposed of with direction, my lord.
What direction?
Area, regarding area pension.
No, you will be getting everything.
Okay, my lord, it will be disposed of, my lord.
Is not it?
Yes.
We'll close it.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, but lordship, subject to
What?
after closing lordship, the appropriate steps are taken, lordship will make that observation. Regarding area pension, lordship, I am not aware what my learned friend has said.
Yes, Mr. Uddin, what do you want?
My lord,
Can we dispose it of?
disposed of, my lord.
Because they'll be, it's a matter of time only.
Yes, my lord.
But
Disposed of, my lord, is direction, my lord.
because areas also, he or she is entitled.
Yes.
She. Huh? She is entitled. It's because of certain technical issues only.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever was.
Yes. Yes. Heard Mr. K. Uddin, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to revalidate the pension. What pension is this?
Family pension.
Family pension. And to release the same, release the family pension as well as the area pension, family pension as well as area pension in respect of her husband late Haris Ali. List of next para. The petitioner is the wife of late Haris Ali, who was working at Chowkidar in Guchera ME Madrasa, Siribhumi district, Assam. The late husband of the petition had died in harness on 23/11/2000, leaving behind the petitioner, a son and a daughter as his legal heirs. List of next para. On the demise of the late husband of the petitioner was granted family pension with effect from 24/11/2000. However, when you have it has been stopped,
Till my lord, November 2019, my lord. I received my lord.
however, since 2000, since 2000,
2019, November 2019.
Since November 2019, the petitioner, the family pension was not released to, was not credited to her account in view of non-submission of the life certificate. List of the petitioner, in what I said, in view of the no, as she could not submit the life certificate due to her illness during the COVID-19 pandemic. List of the petitioner lost the PPO book, and thereafter on application, a duplicate PPO book was issued on 13/10/2023. List of it is submitted that the petitioner had filed an application on 6/4/2023 before the respondent authority, praying for reopening of her pension account. List of the Treasury officer issued a letter on 07/08/2024 to the branch manager, Punjab National Bank, stating that as per rule, a pension which has been left undrawn for more than 3 years has to be sent back to the sanctioning authority. Accordingly, the authority, i.e. the Director of Pension to the concerned Treasury, has revalidated and forwarded all the relevant documents to the respondent bank. List of next para. Mr. H. Ali, Standing Council Finance Department, has submitted that the Treasury Officer Ramakrishna Nagar Sub Treasury Sribhumi has examined, has forwarded the relevant papers to the bank for after revalidation list of the list of therefore there would not be any impediments to release the family pension to the petitioner after the revalidation. Next paragraph. Mr.
A Parvesh,
Authorized, standing counsel for
Punjab National Bank, respondent number 5.
Punjab National Bank. Respondent number 5 submits that the respondent bank has received the relevant papers, which has been, they received the revalidation with all the relevant documents in respect of the petitioner for payment of family pension list. However, in view of certain procedure, and approval has to be obtained from
CPPC Kolkata.
CP.
PC Kolkata.
CPPC is what?
Kolkata. Centralized Pension Proceeding Center.
Centralized obtained from the
Kolkata. Centralized Pension Proceeding
Pension
Center.
Proceeding Center at Calcutta. This stuff. He submits that the approval is expected within 10 days. This stuff. Next bill. Having considered that the petitioner, having considered that the respondent authorities have already revalidated the family, the revalidated for payment of family pension to the petitioner, and provided, which has been provided to the respondent bank for release of the family pension, and also considering that the respondent bank is ready to release the pension amount subject to approval from CPC.
CPPC.
CPPC, huh? CPPC. Calcutta. They considered that nothing, and no further education is required in this proceedings. Accordingly, the writ petition stands closed with an observation that the respondent's bank, particularly respondent number 5, shall expedite the approval obtaining expedite the process of obtaining the approval from the CPPC Calcutta, and release the pension of the pension, family pension, as well as arrear pension, arrear,
Yes.
with arrears to the petitioner. The petition disposed of.
All right.
Correct again.
And this last order, my lord, dated 10/6/26.
Yes.
For last 2 days, when they are supposed to bring instruction, my lord, about the benefits of the certificate. Prior to that, my dear lord, will find order another 18/5. So.
Lordship, so for the matter for the timing.
Hmm?
I'll pass over the matter.
Why?
It's on the way, your lordship.
The timing of the court is not 10:30.
No, your lordship.
Is it 11:30?
It's for the instructions, your lordship. They
Huh?
just inform me.
Instruction is on the way.
Getting the instructions and coming.
After some time.
Obliged.
Item 5 and 6.
Even 6.
Lordship, in item 5, Your Lordship, I need some time to file an additional affidavit.
What additional affidavit?
Actually, as per the last order, Your Lordship, Lordship kindly peruse the last order.
Yes.
In this,
Yes, you have not paid the,
regarding the payment.
only you have a outstanding of 27 lakhs, that's 60,000.
Regarding the payment.
You have only paid 3
Since
lakhs.
a writ petition has been.
And you are asking for increase of the seats.
Lordship, 1 week time, I will place the document.
How will direct them to, when you are already a default? How you will manage? If we allow even 100, even you are not able to manage 60.
As per the last instruction.
It's a private nursing home.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nursing
Nursing institute,
nursing institute, private.
private method.
So what is this? What do you call it? The hospital is called?
Parent hospital.
Parent hospital.
Parent hospital.
Hospital is,
See, it appears to be you are just, you are not, serious in imparting nursing this thing.
Your Lordship, as per the last
That
instruction.
appears to be more of a business like
Yes,
kind.
In fact,
Profit
madam, in
making.
the earlier round of writ petition, it revealed that the
Yes.
petitioner collected money from the students
Yes.
for the clinical exposure in the parent hospital,
Hmm.
but they did not pay it.
Lordship, as per,
Outstanding due is 27 lakhs.
he is ready, as per the
You
last.
pay and we'll see and come back. You
Your Lordship,
pay and come back.
Your Lordship, as per the last instruction, he is negotiating with the parent hospital and he.
What negotiated?
Parent hospital, Your Lordship, last night instruction, Your Lordship.
It appears your institute is more of a profit making,
Only 1 week time, Your Lordship, he will.
not serious in importing nursing,
Particularly, my lord,
education.
he has collected money from the students
Yes.
for this purpose.
They
for
want to
clinical-
collect more. That's
clinical
why they
exposure.
want to increase the students.
Yes, clinical
seats.
exposure in the Silchar Medical College, but they have not paid the money.
Let the matter be fixed after 1 week. In the meantime, Your
Suppose if you don't pay,
don't pay it, then I will, Your Lordship.
huh?
Lordship will.
My lord, it is a new cause of action that, my lord, for increase of seats, but for the existing students, my lord, they have not paid. In fact, my lord, for that purpose, the hospital authority wanted to stop the clinical exposure of the petitioner institute,
Yes.
my lord.
At least 1
For
week.
the
It
existing
will affect
students, my
the
lord.
students.
Lordship, 1 week time may be granted.
You are,
Lordship.
you
In the
are-
meantime, he will contact with the.
You are
parent hospital.
extracting money from the students,
Yes.
and you are not.
At least 1 week time, Your Lordship. He will. I'm ready to give an undertaking, Your Lordship. Within 1
We'll
week.
record it.
Yes.
You'll immediately pay, and then we'll close the writ petition.
If not paid, Your Lordship.
At
then-
least the existing 60 seats, you will have to properly impart the education.
Yes.
It's nursing is not, of course,
As per the last instruction, your last night instruction, he is last day also, Your Lordship, he is contacted with the parent hospital here and he is negotiating with them.
negotiate, you withdraw, you then come back.
Then after
You
1
finish and come back. No.
after 1 week, Your Lordship.
What?
Lordship,
What? Just because if you pay, will grant you, will direct them to increase your seat? No, we'll never.
there was
Will not.
there is an agreement, Your Lordship. As
What
per the-
agreement?
Lordship, there is an.
See, you are already in default.
Yes,
You have
but this
not
is-
paid the required fees to the parent hospital. How the student will be allowed?
At least 1 week time, Your Lordship. After
What 1 week time?
After 1 week, Your Lordship. After 1 week. My senior's name is also not reflected, Your Lordship. M. Datta, your senior counsel also.
Not required.
Not.
You have last time having, confronted with that payment, you want to take instruction, your senior wants to take instruction, that's all.
Then after some time, Your Lordship. After some time, Your Lordship. After some time, Your Lordship.
My lord, 2 writ petitions.
Well, list after 4 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr.
K. Mira,
K.
Your Lordship.
K. Mira, Land Council for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks. Think about it. First, or else will direct you to pay immediately. Because you have taken money from, from the students. And you are not paying. And they will not be able to, do their studies in the, what do we call it?
Parent hospital.
No.
Clinical
Clinical
exposure.
exposure.
Clinical exposure.
It's a nursing.
after
4 weeks. Yes.
This is the second time read petition lordship.
Hmm?
Second time read petition lordship.
Ha.
By the read petitioner lordship.
Hmm.
In the other earlier read petition lordship, the honorable court has pleased to directly responding authorities to provincialize the service of the petitioner lordship.
Hmm.
But the lordship, the respondent authority, but the respondent number 2 by the speaking order
Hmm.
denied the
Where it is? Where it is?
lordship the page 110.
110.
In the identical matter, lordship.
110.
Issued notice, lordship.
Okay. Heard,
Okay.
mister.
Lordship.
Will issue notice, that's all.
Lordship.
Heard, mister?
DC Nath.
DC Nath, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Petitioners. Next para. Challenge made in district petition is to the order 06-12-2025. Passed by the director.
Lordship.
Director of Secondary Education, Government of Assam, whereby the claim of the petitioner for provincialization of their services pursuant to the direction of this court. The 12/04/2020 passed in WPC 4735 of 2022 has been rejected. List of, what is your contention? What is your contention?
Lordship, there's
What's wrong with this order?
Lordship, as per can you see the lot.
When you are appointed?
Court order, Lordship, page 106, Lordship. 106 para 19, Lordship.
You are appointed when?
Lordship, they're appointed in 1997 or not, Lordship. The main contention is the dice court, Lordship. Their name has not included in the dice court.
It is the contention of the petitioners that they were appointed as what teacher?
Subject teacher.
Subject teacher. In Vidya Bhavan Nityananda Higher Secondary School
Lordship.
in the year 2003. 2003.
No, Lordship. 2000. Their school is established in 2000. They have got the permission, Lordship, in the 2005.
In 19. Then when you were appointed?
No, Lordship, they are appointed in 2000.
You don't know.
And the inclusion order, there is no mention of that they were rejected on the basis of inclusion of the name in dice code. Because on the inspection of that, they rejected records in the school. They were not present, Lordship, for a particular time. They were not continued in service.
They are appointed 2003.
UDS is not a Lordship.
2003. List of 2003 and are entitled to be provincialized as per the provisions of the applicable act. List of it is submitted. Your rejection is on the ground of what?
Page 11, 111, last findings. All the relevant records along with the data maintained in the digital platform which was launched in collected. The digital platform was created in order to store of comprehensive data of student enrollment, physical infrastructure, details of the teaching staff at each school. The aforesaid digital data is now become the only source which has been used to obtain credible information regarding any school. An entry made in the said digital data is accepted as the most reliable information. All the authenticated data maintained in the school pertaining to the continuous presence of 6 years service in the school from 31/12/2010 to 1/1/2017 were duly examined in different level of office of the undersigned. On examination, it is found that there is a mismatch between the offline and online data, more specifically for the academic session of 2012-13, 16-17 in respect to the claim of the continuous service of petitioner in their school. After careful verification, attendance registers collected from the respective institution no attendance record has been found. If that data is not a sole category lawsuit, it is the attendance, they don't have any attendance register lawsuit in that particular school for that particular period.
Entitled under the Act, applicable Act, list of. Since the petitioner was appointed in the year 2003, they have served the required 6 years continuous service as on 01/01/2017. Therefore, the rejection of the claim of petitioner on the ground of not having, on the ground of not rendering 6 years continuous service as on 01/07/2017 is contrary to records. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As all of you are,
Yes, lawsuit. I am for 1, 2, and 5.
all are represented.
No, all are registered.
3 and 4, all are represented.
All are registered.
Since Mr. SMT 60 Leonard, Standing Counsel for Secondary Education Department
1, 2, and 5.
for respondent 1, 2,
And 5.
and 5, and
Come to Ganam.
and Miss B. Devi, Learned State Council,
Seba lawsuit.
Learned Standing Council,
Assam State,
Council for SEBA.
Assam State School Education Board.
Assam State Skill Education Board, AESEB. Enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the rest, no formal notice needed. However, extra copies, so and so.
That maybe that's your.
What then? After 4 weeks.
In this case, my lord, petitioner before your lordship is a MBBS final year student, my lord. He is studying in Bangladesh, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, for undergoing, my lord, screening test for foreign medical examination, my lord, the NEET qualification scorecard is required, my lord. What happened in this case, my lord, the petitioner secured 360 marks in the 2020 NEET examination, my lord. Unfortunately, he lost his, my lord, mark sheet, that scorecard, my lord. So my humble prayer before your lordship, my lord, at this stage, my lord.
Have you approached the authorities?
I have sent mail, my lord. Now, my lord.
Have you approached the authorities?
Yes, my lord, I have sent mail, my lord. Now, my lord, authority lord.
Where is the mail?
My lord, I have not an expert.
Then.
Now, my lord, similarly.
No, you first approach.
Now, my lord, similarly.
Third, Mr.
My lord, similarly situated person approach honorable.
How they will, without.
The Delhi High Court, my lord. My lord, Delhi High Court order.
We're not concerned. We're not concerned. First, you approach now. Why unnecessary
No, I
troubling?
have approached, my lord. I have sent
You
mail.
should have
Now, my lord, the
properly advised your client.
My lord, the procedure is.
Unnecessary, you are instead of.
No, my lord, Delhi High Court order is there, my lord.
The lawyers are troubling the litigants.
No, my
What
lord.
is this?
Now, my lord, Delhi High Court, the similar situation.
We are not interested. Problem is, first you approach. If they don't, then come back. You have not been so.
Now, my lord.
Where is that? You show us that you have approached.
My lord.
Simple matter.
I'll produce, my lord.
You no, not produce.
No, my lord.
No,
I'll
you withdraw. Will grant you to approach the authority.
Now, with due respect, my lord.
See, it's a student, MBBS student.
My lord.
The lawyer, unfortunately, you have not given a proper advice.
Now, my lord, Delhi High Court order.
Without approaching, how can he? How the authority will know that you require this?
No, he has approached, my lord.
Where?
He sent email, my lord.
Where?
I have 1 week time, maybe I will
No.
file an additional.
See,
Lord.
it's an interest of the litigants.
My lord.
You are just the kind of mouthpiece.
No.
It's not you personally who will be affected.
Now, my lord, in this case.
Show us any semblance of documents that you have approached the authorities. It's a simple matter. They will approach and if they don't, then come back. Unnecessary troubling the students.
No, my lord, in the system.
Please, sir, try to understand. You show us the semblance of documents that you have approached.
Lordship, let it posted.
No, no. You will close it and will allow you to approach the authority immediately. Then you come back.
My
It's
lord,
not done, sir. Are you getting?
no,
Are you for the interest of your client?
I'm instead for my time, my lord.
Then
At present, he is in Bangladesh, my lord.
what does it make a difference? You, if you can send email, you send it email. You tell her or tell him.
My lord, email I may be allowed, my lord. I'll produce before your lordship.
Not at all.
On Friday.
No, no. If you had that, you file afresh. Sorry. Unnecessary keeping it pending will be, I mean, it will not
Let
be
it-
interest of the
Friday.
petitioners, sir.
On Friday, my lord, I'll produce before your lordship.
Try to understand, sir. You advise your client to immediately approach the authority. It's nothing. It's not.
My lord, he has approached, my lord. That is my, I'll produce.
Show us where. Have you made any statement?
Statement is there, man.
Huh?
Statement is there, man.
Unnecessary.
My lord. It's my lord, paragraph 5, my lord, page 5, my lord. In the instant case, the petitioner is being MBBS from Bangladesh and is in the final year of sons. But unfortunately, he failed to trace out the same as he lost the scorecard, and thereafter he tried to retrieve the same from the official website. But thereafter, 8/8/2025, he sent email whereby request was made to provide him NEET UG's 2020 scorecard being for the sons. But till date, he was not provided the scorecard, my lord.
Yes. Can you obtain instructions?
So, issue notice of this.
Unnecessary, I think, unless you apply, unless you apply, how can they provide? Heard, Mr.
Jailoskov.
Learn counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner is an MBBS final year student studying in
Northeast Medical College, Sylhet, Bangladesh.
Northeast
Medical College, man.
Northeast Medical College,
Sylhet, Bangladesh. Page 11 is the identity card.
Medical College, Sylhet, Bangladesh, who has list of in the year 2020, the petitioner appeared in the NEET UG examination bearing roll number 14021085359. List of it is the case of the petitioner that to appear in the final examination.
No,
Final examination.
this is for my lord, foreign medical graduate examination.
Foreign medical graduate examinations, which is scheduled to be held
In December 2026.
in the month of September.
December 2026.
September, you have said somewhere September.
Is my final examination of.
Okay, December 2026, comma, the scorecard, what do you call it?
Scorecard.
Scorecard of NEET NEET UG 2020 would be required. List of the petitioner having lost his scorecard, claims to have approached the authorities for issuance of duplicate or what?
This is usually it's available in the official website.
Available in the website
Uh,
also. For a certain period, after a certain period, it will disappear also.
Opted for issuance of what I said. I said scorecard. Said NEET UG 2020 scorecard. List of. However, it is asserted that the respondent has not responded to the same. Next para. Considering that considering a simple prayer of the petitioner for issuance of NEET UG 2020 scorecard, comma, and also considering that the petitioner is studying, is an student, as a student of, is an MBBS student in the in Bangladesh, comma, Mr. K. Gogoi landed CGC to obtain instruction.
Possibly issue notice was.
You obtain instruction, what is the
Then was it after vacation was. From TL.
list next week?
Actually, it is not possible from National Testing Agency, Delhi also.
What's there? Release too far. Mail. You mail. If he has not mailed it, you mail
Try
it.
otherwise
You
we will
obtain the instruction from
In the
mail.
issue notice, in the meantime, we'll place it lawsuit by way of affidavit. As the Honorable Delhi High Court also, the NTA has filed the affidavit also. On the basis of that affidavit.
And in that case, issue notice
Issue
returnable
notice.
by 4 weeks.
Yes,
3 weeks. Make it 3 weeks.
yes.
You are appearing for all.
And for lawsuit 1 and 2, National Testing Agency and lawsuit NBA EMS laws.
1, 2, and 3, all.
He I am not appearing.
Okay. As Mr. K. Gogoi landed CGC enters appearance except notice on behalf of respondent 1 and 2, no comment notice need be issued in respect of respondent number 1 and 2. Our extra copies be so and so. Next paragraph. Petitioners to take steps for service so and so. Upon respondent number 3.
If you have like.
List up to 3 weeks.
Matter pertains to areas and remaining. That petitioner will go.
You are what?
I am for the petitioner,
No, you are working as
working as a classical teacher.
classical. What do you mean by that?
Classical teacher means Assamese, Hindi or some subject.
Hmm?
Some subject which is included as a classical teacher. And I have been appointed as
Which school?
a school, my lord.
Yes.
Heard Mr.
HR Chaudhary.
H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next petitioner, who is working as classical teacher
At Model HS School, Patargan.
at model school,
Model HS School, Patargan.
model HS school,
Patargan.
where it is?
In the district of Sribhumi.
Where it is?
In the district of Sribhumi.
Where do you get it, sir?
So page 11. Non-dual service.
Hmm?
Page 11.
Model Higher Secondary School, Patharkande,
Yes.
in the district of Karimganj,
Now,
now Sribhumi, of Assam, claims for release of his or her, his area salary amounting to rupees 77,098, 098. For the period from 11/11/1996 to 13/11/2004 and 01/01/2017 to 13/11/2020. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You are appearing for all.
2, 3, and 4.
Who else? All are represented. As MSP does Learned Standing Council Secondary Education Department and MSRM Baruwa Learned State Council.
Finance Department.
Standing Council, Finance Department. Enters appearance except notice on behalf of all the rest, no formal notice need be. However, extra copies be furnished to Mr. and so. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Discuss relating to payment of leave encashment of the petitioner.
Why?
Leave encashment not received.
Ah.
Petitioner retired from service, but he has received some nominal amount, but whole leave encashment was not received.
And Mr.
R.M. Chaudhary.
R.M. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner who has retired as assistant teacher
My lord.
of Sankardev ME School claims for payment of
Leave
leave
encashment.
leave encashment. Leave encashment or what?
Leave salary, leave encashment.
Huh?
Leave salary.
Leave salaries oblique encashment. List of. It is the contention of the petitioner that after his retirement in the year 1993,
My lord.
you have retired in 1993.
Retired to 2025.
2025. He has been paid only nominal amount of rupees 56,656. So that paying the entitlement, and then paying the full leave salaries oblique and salaries oblique leave encashment, which is entitled to the petitioners. Petitioner, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. All are represented.
I am repaying for 1 to 5 minutes.
MS, as MS,
S.
SUT, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department.
9.
And who else? For? Record all their name. Finance, name please, RM Bora, Learned Standing on Finance. Then it's very long. On behalf of R.K. Talukdar, Learned Counsel for Accountant General, and Mr. V. Peggy, Learned State Council. Entered appearance and access notice on behalf of all the rest, no formal notice. So Hassan, you're right. I don't have to dictate this.
Masab.
11. Back to the.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, my lord, this petitioner before your lordship is now, my lord, serving as a government teacher. But
What do you want? Tell us first.
well, recently, my lord, he went, my lord, to receive his original, my lord, matriculation certificate, my lord, and found that, my lord, his date of birth is wrong, my lord. But in his all documents, even
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, by filing this petition, the petitioner seeks for correction of his date of birth. List of next para. It is the contention of the petitioner that the actual date of birth of the petitioner is 31/01/1974, which is supported by supported by all the documents, including service book.
An
but
admit card of this examination itself.
all the documents, including service book. However, however, the certificate, what is that?
Yes, sir.
The certificate issued by the certificate issued by whom?
My lord, it is my lord, Board of Secretary.
Board of Secretary Education, Assam.
Assam.
Now, what is this?
My lord, now Assam State School
Now,
Education Board.
Assam State
School Education
School Education
Board.
Board wrongly mentioned the date of birth of the petitioner as 31/01/1974. 1971. Right?
Yes, my lord.
1971. Next para. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. You are appearing for all.
No, my lord, DK Roy for 1, 2, 3, and 4.
As Mr. D.K. Roy, Learned Council for Learned Standing Council, Assam State Education Board. Assam State School Education Board. Enters appearance next notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4. No forming notice need be served. However, extra copies be furnished to the Learned Council. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent 5 and 6 were registered post and so we need to open this. Yes, looks.
Development. 12.
May it please your lordship. This case relates to non-payment of old pension scheme, my lord.
Why?
Writ appeal is pending, lordships. So at this stage, notice may go. I mentioned para 25, page 22.
MSK Devi, heard MSK Devi, Learned Council for the petitioners. Petitioner.
Petitioner,
What do you want?
a notice, my lord.
What notice? What is your prayer?
Fair manner to pay the pension, but writ appeal is pending before this honorable court, which is hearing is fixed on 16/7/2026, madam.
On the submission of Mr. MSK Devi, Learned Council, issue notice, returnable by 4 weeks.
Writ appeal is anyway, madam. Highly obliged.
You don't want to tell us what is your grievance as such.
Since the writ
Okay,
appeal
as
is-
MS SUT Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, and Mr. MS RM Bora Learned Education
Finance.
Finance Standing Council Finance Department enters appearance accept the notice on behalf of all the respondents. All the respondents, bottom left, no formation. Registry to reflect the name of SC Elementary Education Department and Finance. Finance is there in the cause list.
Regarding non-payment of arrears salary
That
for
I think we'll need to change, not on the prayer of that. You just petitioners praise for so and so to tell them, yeah. What is their case? You just see that.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
This is regarding non-payment of arrears salary, lordship, for the period of, for the suspension period, lordship. This suspension has been, regularized, lordship.
The heard Mr.
R. Fukon.
Arfukon Learned Council for the petitioner.
My lord,
The
here,
claim of the case of the petitioner, the claim of the petitioner is for payment of arrears salary for the suspension period which has been regularized subsequently. List of the petitioner is a postgraduate teacher in Kora Higher Secondary School and was suspended by an order dated 13/10/2023. List of, however, the said suspension on the list of due to suspended on account of arrest in a criminal case. List of it is said criminal the petitioner subsequently has been acquitted from the said criminal case. List of accordingly the respondent authorities has regularized the period of suspension. However, no, the arrears for the said suspension period has not been paid. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You are appearing for all
Yes.
as Mr. U. Sharma,
Yes,
London
U. Sharma.
Standing Counsel,
Secondary review.
Secondary Education enters appearance accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice needed. Have extra copies. Yes.
Obliged.
Time being 4.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, the approval has been rejected. Lordship, there is a instruction.
We have to get it further.
I'll give. Equal to more like
You challenge this. You challenge this.
I have Sumara Yalla.
Heard Mr. M.S. H.R.A. Chaudhary, London Senior Counsel, assisted by M. Alamgir, London Counsel for the petitioner, fairly submits that he may be allowed to withdraw his writ petition with the liberty to file afresh in view of the rejection
Of the approval.
by the
Word of my lord.
Huh?
Word of the approval.
huh?
Cancellation.
In view of the proposal for appointment of the petition, in view of the rejection, cancellation
of the proposed.
as well as rejection of the appointment of rejection for appointment of the petitioner
As assistant professor.
by an order dated what is this?
17.6.
Not 17, 16/06/2026 by the commissioner and no. What is this? This page, second page is what? This is by here
The
only?
minutes, Lordship.
Okay. Okay, then 17/6/2026 by the Director of Higher Education, Assam. Mr.
A copy. Yes, I received.
Huh?
He wants a copy. I have given
The-
him the copy.
D. Upamanya, London Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department.
For
Is-
one.
Is present, we'll say is present. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with the liberty expressed for the copy of the communication. The order dated 17/06/2026 is kept on record and marked as document X.
Thank you.
Supplementary 56.
With your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, the petition of your lordship is.
Where is the order?
My lord, the impugned order, your lordship finds at page 38.
38.
My lord. This order has been issued contrary to the conditions of the appointment as well as, my lord, the appointment later.
Yes, who is for the
My
respondent?
lord, there is no standing counsel of NID. I have checked with my lord, the registry. After the notice is received, they engage someone.
It's a corporate,
It's a my lord autonomous institution.
autonomous. But you are seeking an interim order.
Yes, my lord.
This is the difficulty.
My lord, I am satisfied, lordship, my lord.
No, I have gone through.
My lord.
I have gone through. Is there anything to add
No, since you are
with the pleadings you have made? Okay, heard Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. The challenge made in this lead petition is to the office order dated 08/06/2026, passed by the director.
My lord, director, National Institute.
National Institute of Designing,
Jorhat, my lord.
Jorhat, Assam, whereby the contractual service of the petitioner is what?
As my lord, faculty.
As faculty is sought to be discontinued with effect from 18/06/2026 on the basis of the review committee, review of the performance of the petitioner for the first 1 year at the institute. You are given this thing opportunity also.
My lord, I was only asked that you give your presentation of your performance. I have given that, my lord.
List of next para. It is the contention of the petitioner that the learned senior counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner was appointed on when?
My lord,
Appointed on
22/5/2025.
22.
22/5, my lord, and he joined on 19/5/2020.
22.
22/5/2025.
22/5/2025 on contractual as faculty of the institute, National Institute of Design.
National Institute of Design, Jorhat.
Design, Jorhat, Jorhat, for a period of 3 years.
Right. For
List
such a
of,
regular selection.
the pursuant to a regular selection. List of the appointment of the petitioner is
Appointment order, your lordship finds at page 32.
32.
Clause 2 is
Pranab Kumar Panda.
Clause 2 is the, my lord, relevant contract terms.
List of the terms of the contractual appointment provides that the service of the petitioner shall be reviewed at the end of every year. The terms of the contractual appointment includes the requirement of review of the service of the petitioner at the end of every year. List of. However, the review, the purported review appears to be based on the performance report submitted by the petitioner only, without there being an actual review by the responding authorities.
I have got another ground, my lord. The advertisement was for a regular post. I was given a contractual appointment.
It is also submitted by learned senior counsel that and it doesn't make any sense.
My lord, in fact, it was a regular appointment. I ought to have been given a regular.
No, it's for contextual. You have accepted that. Will not record that. Issue notice return by 4 weeks. The learned counsel pay the petitioners to take a stage for service of notice upon respondents. So and so, huh? All the respondents by registered for so and so, so and so. You mentioned the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by registered post as well as by usual process within 2 working days. Next para. Having considered that the petitioner has been appointed as faculty in the faculty on contractual basis for a period of 3 years, which is sought to be discontinued by the respondent authorities on the basis of on the basis of the on the basis which is appears to be on the performance report performance submitted by the petitioner himself, without there being actual review by the respondent authorities, and also I deem it appropriate to. And then no, I'm of the considered that the interim order is called for list of accordingly the impugn order so and so. Where is this impugn order?
38, my lord.
50?
38.
38. There is 0806/2026 issued by the Director NID, Jorhat, shall remain state. List of till the returnable death, list of. It is made clear that the petitioner shall be allowed to continue as faculty.
Highly obliged.
57.
Yes, what is this?
My lord, matter relates to, my lord, when the petitioner had been serving as a senior lecturer in Diet, my lord, Hailakandi, and my lord was also holding the charge of the office of the principal, my lord.
Will issue notice, what's there?
My
You are seeking promotion.
My lord, seeking promotion, and my lord, one post, my lord, that may not be filled up without the leave of my
We
lordship,
don't
my lord.
know. They are going to fill up or what?
My lord, probability is there, my lord, because.
No, apprehension we cannot.
My lord,
Or Mr. Air Buya, Senior Counsel assisted by
And that's all.
NJ Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner who is working as senior lecturer
Senior lecturer at present, Diet Fukrajhar, my lord.
at DIET, Cockroach 6 for promotion. 6 for consideration for promotion. Essentially 6 for consideration for promotion to the post of
Principal Diet, my lord.
principal DIET
My lord.
on the ground that he is one of the senior most
My lord, he is the senior
senior lecturer, one of the senior most lecturers in the senior lecturers of what diet?
Yes, my lord, of the senior lecturers, Diet, my lord. Of the gradation list, my lord. My lord, kindly turn to page 63, my lord. That is the gradation list wherein my name reflects in serial number 1, my lord.
Okay.
My lord.
List of this thing is put on a silk cover.
No, my lord.
Silk cover is over.
No, my lord, that I don't know what is the fate, whether it is in silk cover or not.
And then okay, we'll see. Issue
My lord.
notice returnable by 4 weeks as Miss MS SUT Learned Standing Council higher
Elementary, my lord.
elementary.
Because Diet is under elementary department.
Okay, that's why I was wondering. I wonder how if he's a senior lecturer, how you can be in elementary?
No, my lord, the department is under the.
It's elementary education department, standing council, huh? And Mr. Esboro for state council. You are a state council or what?
SCERT.
Standing council, SCRT.
My lord.
Enters appearance, accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copies will be furnished to the land council. The scorn is.
আপনি ফোর লোগো না প্রমোশন কমিটি
That's all. Extra copies. Huh? That's it. D. Chaudhary. D. Chaudhary. All the respondents. All the respondents. Hmm. Yes, next.
Obliged, my lord.
Right, your worship, my lord, that file in application, my lord, reply, I need to file the reply to that, my lord.
You have last time you have sought for.
No. Yes, day before yesterday, I got an application, my lord.
Oh.
The reply that I am to submit some reply because some question.
What is the matter about?
Shifting of the scope,
Huh?
shifting of the scope.
School.
Yes, my lord. Say was given,
Whose interest it is?
my lord.
Whose instance it is? Whose instance it is
Oh.
proposed to be shifted? Or
Uh,
it has it been shifted already?
already shifted,
School
but
has
they are
not
saying not
shifted.
shifted, my lord.
With due respect to what my senior colleague is submitting, school has not been shifted.
Hmm.
The procedure adopted is totally contrary to law. And some things which I have advised my senior colleague, perhaps adjournment will be beneficiary for all, Some actions have been done purely contemptuous, so let it come after the vacation.
My lord, let us,
See to it.
yes, I am also say, I also file some.
You are for
It
petition.
requires,
Yes.
and my senior would pray for a date,
On the
21st.
on the prayer of Mr.
Could it be on 21st?
H.R.A. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, and as agreed to by Mr. S. Bonik, learned senior counsel. You just
On
assisted,
21st of July.
assisted by, and then also assisted by, huh?
ABT Hawk.
Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks, 4 weeks,
On 21st.
4 weeks, huh?
21st.
In the meantime, the respondent, the parties may exchange the pleadings. We can dispose it of instead of vacating it.
So 21st July, month.
On
21st.
after 3 weeks, on 21/07/2026, then in the meantime, huh?
We have to continue.
Interim order passed and lesson.
My-
No steps.
Lordship, we have already taken steps. Lordship.
When?
Yesterday, Lordship.
Although office note indicates that no, office note that 15/06/2026 indicates that this is 15, today is 17. No steps have been taken for notice upon service of notice upon response of 3, Mr.
M. Raman, Lordship.
M. Raman, Land Council, submits that he has taken the steps on 16/06/2026. It will be above. The matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship, short date. please.
Huh?
After vacation, any date, Lord.
Mr. D. Upamani, Learned Standing Council,
Health and Family Welfare.
Elementary Education,
14 July.
Health and Family Welfare.
Health and Family Welfare
For 1, 2,
Department
5, 6,
is
7, 8.
present.
Highly open.
4 weeks.
16.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Matter is related to appointment of a grade 4 employee in Kanpur College, Nagaon. And initially,
Any affidavit? Yes. Affidavit? Affidavit is required or not required? Huh?
AR Tavildar is looking into this matter, Lordship,
Hmm.
after some time, Lordship.
What after some time? Affidavit would be required or not?
it will be required.
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. D. Upamani, Learned Standing Council,
Higher education.
Higher Education. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file.
That may be given, Lord, say 2024 matter, Lord.
Let him file after 3 weeks.
Right, Lord.
17.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, notice was issued on 15th Feb 2024. Into the no affidavit has been filed.
Instruction is awaited.
Huh?
Instruction is awaited, ma'am.
What instruction? You don't you wait for how many long? How many days? It's notice was issued in 2024. It's coming for the second time. What is this? What is the matter about?
After my lord, the stipend is appointed as a stipend teacher, and they are accommodated as tutor. Lordship.
Tutor.
Yes, Lord.
So what do you want?
We want Lordship, to set aside the impugn orders of the tutor appointment as tutors.
You will set aside.
No, not.
We'll set aside.
Lordship, Lordship,
And Mr. will set aside and go.
No, Lordship, actually, I'm not the engaged counselor. My senior is in lakes.
Huh?
My senior is in lakes. I'm not the engaged counselor.
And Mr.
Escalahon.
Escalahon Learned Council for the petitioner. MS NCT Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education. Praise warrant is granted further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. You are also appearing, madam. You want to file? You also want to file? Then both of them have prayed for any are granted 3 weeks time. Have prayed for and are granted so and so. Both the name.
18.
Yes.
My lord, the earlier round of writ petition, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, directed to consider the case, my lord, as per law, my lord. Here, humble petitioner before your lordship was appointed in the year 1986. And private respondent was appointed, my lord, as per one appointment letter 1998, my lord. And according to me, my lord, she was appointed subsequently, my lord, in the year 2010, my lord. Nevertheless, lordship kindly have a look observation and direction made by this honorable court in earlier order, page 35, my lord, annexure 8, my lord. And there, my lord, the particulars are recorded at paragraph 3, my lord, page 38, my lord. Clearly, my lord, it is the honorable court observed, my lord, the petitioner before your lordship appointed on, my lord, 14/12/2086, and she was appointed on only, my lord, 28/12/1998, my lord. But I have one appointment letter, she was appointed in the year 2010, my lord. Nevertheless, my lord, I am, my lord, any case, my lord, I am senior. But lordship kindly have a look, impugn order, page 44, annexure 10. Order was passed, my lord, very cryptic order. And cryptic order, my lord.
What do you say? How it is cryptic?
But, nothing mentioned, my lord, no observation regarding their seniority, etc., my lord. Just one conclusion, page 45, my lord. It is provided that, my lord, DEE, last part, my lord, bottom, DEE, my lord, Director, Elementary Education, Assam, submitted the proposal to the government for provincialization of service of the.
Where it is? Where you are reading?
Page, my lord, 45. Last bottom, my lord. Director, Elementary Education, Assam, submitted the proposal to the government for provincialization of services of.
This is in respect of you.
Yes, my lord. Only, my lord, there are
Others is about what?
nothing, my lord. This, my lord, appeal was rejected, my lord.
Assam submitted the proposal to government for proposed service of teachers as tutors against Dileshwar Valley. This is Dileshwar Valley. Yours is Dileshwar Valley.
Yes, sir.
Daleshwar Valley and government sanctioned field for tutor against Daleshwar Valley. According to the official information service, 3 teachers against Daleshwar Valley as tutors on 5/2/2021. Abuddin Burbuya could not be reckoned by the SSA as the normal position is not eligible for the promotion.
And my lord, her appointment letter, my lord, lordship kindly will look, it is only.
No, this is your, see, the name of the petitioner could not be recommended by SLSC as the enrollment position of the school is not eligible. Enrollment position of the school is not eligible for recommendation of additional teachers.
My lord, reason is that, my lord, instead of respondent number, my lord, 8, my lord, who was given benefit, I ought to have been given in.
How?
Our place, because I am senior, my lord.
He is claiming his
86,
seniority loss.
Kindly, you submit or I submit. My lord, 86, my lord, I am appointed and she was appointed in the year 1998. Nevertheless, my lord, she was appointed, given, my lord, benefit or provincialization as a tutor, my lord. But it is declined, my lord, to the petition.
What is the provision?
Provision, my lord, this is Assam, my lord.
No, a particular provision. That senior should be considered first.
Yes, my lord, this is, they are always, my lord, considering, my lord. And it is also, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, also, my lord, provided in the order, my lord.
I am asking the provision, relevant provision. Whether under which
Yes, my lord.
the seniority should be preferred.
Yes, my lord. It is, my lord, not in the, my lord, act, it is directly provided. This is right, my lord. But they are always giving, my lord, preference as per seniority, my lord.
Lordship, he is not a
Will
senior.
will not go by a practice which is not supported by the law.
I am against this impugn order, my lord. But
This
why?
impugn order says that the school is not the under which you have served. The position of enrollment position of school is not eligible for recommendation of additional teachers as per clause 13.
My lord, this is the wrong, my lord, observation. Because the post which is already recommended, that I want, my lord. But in my place, another person is pushed, my lord. Private respondent. I don't want only any additional. He's saying if additional is given, then I will be, my lord, entertained. No. The person who is already entertained, in that place, I
He is not entitled.
entertain, my lord.
He is not entitled.
He is not entitled because junior 98 appointee, my lord.
There,
and I am, my lord, 86 appointee, my lord.
So now where is the provision under the act that your senior should be appointed? Or senior should be given preference?
It is their practice, my lord, but it is not said in the impugn order, my lord. The impugn order is said that.
I am not on the impugn order. What the provision says, suppose there are 3 teachers or tutors has to be appointed, provincialized under the 2017 Act, right?
Yes, my lord.
In that case, where is the provision under the Act? The senior should be given preference.
It is, my lord, it is equity, my lord, because we are working in the same school, my lord. It is, my lord, general, my lord.
When your simple case is that the senior who is respondent number 8,
yes, my lord,
who is junior to has been provincialized, since you are a senior, you should be given preference.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the law? Where is the specific provision?
This is, they are always doing so, my lord. If she is given, my lord, why she is given, my lord? It is not reflected. If I am deprived, my lord, this honorable court directed to consider our case, my lord. There is appeal provision is that they are on section 14, my lord, of the Act, my lord.
So if the state authority want you to jump
yes, my lord,
into the Brahmaputra,
yes,
put a life jacket,
yes,
since you are a petitioner, you will agree to that. And you are senior to the senior.
Senior, definitely senior.
You will jump down. You will jump.
Yes, my lord.
You will jump.
No, my lord, because here, my lord, issue is that, my lord, I was appointed in the year 1986. She was.
Issue is you are claiming on the basis of the seniority,
yes,
right?
Yes.
You show us any provision which provides that the senior teacher should be preferred.
But
for provincialization of their services.
Yeah, but it is not reflected in the order, my lord.
It's not a question of order. We're deciding on the law. As per the law, we're deciding. Since your claiming is
law is not reflected in the order. If any provision
there is no question of reflecting in the order or not.
No, but because this honorable court observed in like manner, my lord, because our my lord dates are mentioned, my lord, and considered to this aspect, my lord, it was referred, my lord. But here, my lord,
I just want to go more deeper than that. I just want to go deeper.
deeper, my lord.
You, since your claim is on the basis of seniority, assuming that you are senior to her,
Yes, sir.
respondent 8,
Number 7.
7, you show us the provision that you ought to have been provisionalized rather than her, because you are senior.
Because, my lord, as far our appointment, it is, my lord, it is not out in that there is no provision in the act, my lord. But my contention before your lordship, she was appointed as a AT, I was also additional
Maybe,
assistant teacher.
is there any seniority list?
Seniority list is there, my lord.
Huh?
Seniority list is there.
At the time of my appointment, lordship, he was the headmaster of this school, lordship.
Huh.
He issued my appointment, lordship. And at that time, lordship, he reflected that, lordship, I am a first assistant teacher, lordship. I have annexed this, lordship, in my affidavit of
First?
election. He was the secretary, lordship. As a headmaster, lordship, as for provision, he will be secretary of the SMC, lordship. He issued my appointment order, lordship. And where, lordship, he stated that, lordship, I am a first assistant teacher of this school, lordship. So his seniority is not, lordship, arise, lordship, lordship. At the time of my appointment, he was headmaster, lordship. So I am first AT, lordship, in this school, lordship. I have annexed this, lordship, yes, lordship, at page, kindly see, lordship, at page, page
You are
56.
admitting that he is senior to you.
I'm not, he is a senior, no doubt, lordship.
Then?
His appointment was earlier, lordship, issued, lordship.
Then?
But at the time of appointment of my appointment, lordship,
How you have been preferred
I am a lordship.
rather than him?
Yes, lordship, he issued my appointment, lordship.
It's not a question of the appointments. Therefore, he is a senior. Without considering him, how can you be given?
Lordship, as per provision, lordship, there shall be, lordship, 3 teachers, lordship, or tutors, lordship. At least 1 teacher each for science and mathematics, as per provision, lordship. And second is, lordship, social studies. And third is, lordship, language.
You are which?
I am a Bengali since my appointment, lordship.
The language.
Yes, lordship.
He is?
He is social science, lordship. He admitted in his read petition, lordship.
No. Where?
Yes.
Are you a language teacher?
No, my lord, it is, my lord, both are appointed as assistant teacher, my lord.
No. He has been assistant teacher. He's appointed as a language teacher.
No, my lord, there is
Yes,
no
lordship.
Provisionalized as a language teacher. Let us see. Where is your provisionalization order?
Lordship, at page 28 of his read petition, lordship, Annex 6, lordship.
provincialization order, my lord.
28.
Yes, lordship. Here, lordship. Serial number 3, lordship, Shukrana Begum Chaudhary, this is respondent number 7, lordship. And the last column, lordship, name of subject.
Bengali.
Thought, lordship, Bengali. Yes, lordship.
Bengali. Then?
I am a language teacher, lordship.
He is?
He is social science, lordship.
Page 28.
28, lordship. Yes. He is social science, lordship.
Shukrana.
Page 41, lordship.
Shukrana Begum.
Lordship, kindly have a look. Second, third column, my lord, 80, both are 80, my lord. Both are 80, my lord. Page 28, my lord, in the read petition.
It's okay. Assistant teacher is something.
Yes, my lord.
Assistant teacher can be the appointed language teacher.
No, my lord, there is no. Bengali is not a language, my lord. It is a modern Indian, my lord, language. There is, my lord, all our school are, my lord, Bengali medium, my lord. My lord, Bengali is not a language, as a treated as a language, my lord, in the Barak Valley, my lord.
Are you rewriting the constitution?
No, my lord. This is, my lord, a Bengali medium school, my lord. The entire school is Bengali, my lord. This Bengali language is not, my lord.
It doesn't matter. It's a subject, it's a requirement under the law is one mathematics and science, social science, social studies, and the language. She has been appointed language teacher.
Why, my lord?
Well, irrespective, even if you may be a senior, it doesn't make any sense.
My lord, why, my lord, my name is not sent as a language, my lord? I ought to have been appointed.
No, you are not a language teacher.
No, language teacher, my lord. So can you look?
Where is this? Where is your name?
Page 28, my lord.
Where is your name?
My lord, Here, my lord, the second, my lord, first
Civil.
headmaster, page 28, my lord. Second, my lord, Sukrana, she, my lord. She was, I was appointed, my lord, 86, she was appointed only 2010, my lord.
That I've understood.
Yes, my lord.
You have appointed her.
Yes, my lord.
Now yours is social science.
For social
If you
science,
taught social science, you could have claimed, if you are senior, you could have claimed against the person who has been appointed as social science teacher, not against the Bengali.
yes, sir, my lord.
Thank you.
No, my lord, it is not, my lord, a language, Bengali as a, my lord, it is not treated as a language, my lord, in the school.
You see the column, subject taught.
My lord, it is, my lord, it is sent, my lord, wrongly, my lord.
What wrongly?
No, if, my lord, he is saying that, he is as a, my lord, language.
Sometimes you want to rewrite the constitution, you want to change the documents.
He was the custodian of this lordship, documents lordship at that time.
No, it is.
Education, where is the provincialization order?
This is a, my lord,
To show that you have been provincial as language teacher.
It is a bigger issue. My lord. If she is saying that, my lord, as a Bengali, she was appointed as a language teacher.
Provincially,
My lord, that
her page 61.
61. 61.
Yes, my lord. There is nothing said, my lord, as a, my lord, the language teacher. It is a tutor, my lord. It is just.
They appointed me lordship.
It is a,
61. What is 60 page?
my lord, page 61, it is her, my lord, affidavit. It is a just, my lord, as a concession, my lord, it was appointed as a tutor, my lord.
All are tutor lordship.
Yes. This is, my lord, regular appointment, my lord. My learned friend is referring, my lord. If, my lord, as a, my lord, Bengali language as a teaching as a, my lord, language, as a language, it was appointed, my lord. This is, my lord, different, my lord, larger aspect, my lord.
Bengali belongs to language.
No. You don't get this, my lord.
See, this is what the person recognized UPS as tutor oblique tutor science.
Yes, my lord.
What does it mean?
In MES, there is a no subject as a, my lord, separate as a language teacher, my lord. Hindi, then, my lord, Arabic, then Persian, my lord, Assamese, those are all treated as a, my lord, language, my lord. But here, my lord, he is written, my lord, Bengali, and he is saying that as a Bengali language teacher appointed. There is a criteria, my lord, the department. If department says, my lord, yes, Bengali as a language teacher appointed, then, my lord, it's a different aspect.
See, come to the provision.
311.
Hmm?
As per section 311.
311, yes. 311. What that is called?
Provincialization of services of teachers and reorganization of education institution act
2017. How many teachers have been provincialized?
Only 3, my lord.
Provincialization of services of teachers.
3.
3, my lord.
Science, fill up.
Fill up science.
Social science, fill up.
Social science.
Fill up.
Language, fill up.
Social science. This is.
2017. Call. Please call. We'll resume after 5 minutes.
Obliged. My humble submission is that, my lord, in this Porakbeli, my lord, in Kachar, my lord, Hailakandi, Koringon, my lord, all schools are, my lord, Bengali medium, my lord. LP school are, my lord.
I'm not concerned.
all books are also, my lord, read in, my lord,
In
Bengali.
case of Bencher upper primary, it's a upper primary school.
No, lower primary.
Huh?
Lower primary school. We have, upper primary school, ME school. 5 to 8 mile. 5 to 8.
This is your school is?
Yes, well, upper primary.
Then why you are saying lower?
No, no, upper.
3 teachers or tutors, at least 1 teacher each for students.
Well, if my lord, they are, my lord, any, my lord, Bengali as a language. that is a
Mr.
state- No, Lord, kindly, my lord, kindly my submission.
What more?
No, Lord, if, my lord, state government is, my lord, Bengali as a, my lord, language teacher appointed, my lord, I have no objection. my lord.
Yes, madam.
Yes, my lord.
Sir, in this case, appeal is pending before the secretary, madam. Please kindly see page 41, madam. Kindly peruse page 1.
Appeal is pending?
No, this was in my case. This was last.
Yes, madam.
This
it
was-
is- Sorry, madam, sorry. But in this case, we have not received any further instruction, madam. So
No affidavit.
we did not get, madam.
Why you are keeping silent in that case? It's your, the challenge is against your order.
Madam,
Yes,
sir,
Unnecessary wasted that.
yes,
Huh?
started, madam, that's why.
No, you could have said, we are not concerned about the respondent number 7. You are the state.
So some-
Their affidavit is very essential, 2024, madam.
No, we don't. We have heard you. Dispose it of.
No, my lord. My lord, I have no objection, my lord. Your law should be upheld, my lord. If, my lord, state government is saying that, my lord, they are Bengali.
No, that's not the issue. Issue is whether the appointment of respondent number 7, for that method, the provisionalization of their services
Yes,
are in accordance with law or not.
definitely, my lord. This is the issue.
Therefore, we
Why, my lord?
I find that since the respondent number 7 has been appointed as a language teacher,
No, my lord. There
tutor.
is no term used in the language, my lord, in the appointment of the, my lord. It is tutor, my lord.
No.
It is tutor, my lord. When appointment.
Then under which the which teacher or I mean tutor you are seeking appointment?
Tutor, my lord, general tutor, they are, my lord, fixed.
No, its requirement is 3. Additionally, the tutor can be
Therefore,
appointed.
Therefore, my lord, as my learned friend is claiming that, my lord. If, my lord, we both are appointed.
See, you have taught the science. The requirement is 3 teachers. You are
Yes.
admitting teachers have been appointed, right?
Yes, my lord.
3 teachers. If he can show that she has been teaching language.
Then not like this is my objection, my lord. My lord, as a Bengali, my lord, all books are, my lord, in Bengali, my lord. How he will say, my lord, in a Bengali language, my lord. But in a special, my lord, if Hindi, there is sole one subject is, my lord, put, my lord, Arabic, Persian, that is language, my lord. If they say, my lord, Bengali, all books
Is
are
it your
Bengali.
case?
Even mathematics.
Is it your case?
Yes, my lord.
Where is your pleading? Saying that she has not been appointed as a language teacher.
My pleadings is that, my lord, I am senior, he is not fit.
Senior doesn't matter. We admit you are senior.
Yes.
Then you are senior.
Yes, my lord.
Your senior who is teaching and who has taught social science subject.
Yes, my lord.
And the respondent number 7 has been appointed as tutor who has been teaching the Bengali language.
This is not the, my lord, correct.
That is the correct position.
If, my lord, state government is saying that, my lord, in their affidavit that, my lord, yeah, Bengali is a language as a appointed, my lord, and I am not appointed. This is not their case, my lord. This is also neither in their affidavit nor their order. It is reflected, my lord.
Under which provision?
I am not.
Under which provision the services are provincialized?
Yes, my lord. This is the, my lord.
113. 113.
If, my lord, as a Bengali, he is my learned friend showing one word Bengali, my lord. It is not as a appointed as a Bengali. I have no objection. I have no urgency in the matter, my lord. Let them fight.
Oh, I have heard you. We have spent considerable amount.
If my learned friend, my lord, your lordship satisfied that as a Bengali language, as a, my lord, language.
I am satisfied.
It is a Bengali medium school, my lord.
Yeah.
It is a Bengali medium school, my lord.
We are not concerned.
All books are even mathematics books are also in Bengali.
Explanation has been rejected, Madam. Sometime maybe allowed to file our
It is the larger issue. If they are saying that I have no objection, my lord, appointment is given, my lord. Why it is given tutor and I have nothing, my lord, and Bengali, my lord, as a language teacher, because so far, my lord, I understand, my lord. It is, my lord, only Hindi, my lord, Persian, Arabic, my lord.
311.
Otherwise, why it is mentioned, my lord, language? It is just all books are, my lord, in Bengali.
You read 311. 311.
Even I have 3 subjects I have taken.
Then? Are you saying that the appointments provincialization is in contrary to provision of this act?
Yes,
if 3 persons are appointed or
lord.
provincialized,
My lord,
obviously it will be as per 311
my lord.
in 3 subjects.
Then, my lord, another question will arise, my lord. If we both are, my lord,
You may raise so many questions, we will consider whatever is relevant. Irrelevant question, why we should, even if you raise, whether we should consider or not.
If, my lord, both are appointed, my lord, as a AT, my lord, our original appointment as a AT, my lord.
So,
then how, my lord, he will subsequently will appointed as a, my lord, language teacher, my lord.
then these
Even, my
three,
lord, if it is,
are you challenging the appointment?
yes, my lord.
On the ground that they have not been appointed as these 3 in 3 subjects.
Yes, my lord. 3 subjects, if appointed, she is appointed as a language teacher to satisfy the provision of the act, my lord. I have to have been appointed, my lord, in her place, my lord.
As what?
Simple matter, my lord.
As what?
As a, my lord, language teacher.
How can when you are when you
this-
teach the subject of social science?
Lordship, they are giving 3 posts, my lord. One science, my lord, and my lord,
Art, Mr. A. Burbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as and MS and Pukon, learned standing counsel, elementary education department, as well as Mr. B.U. Laskar, learned counsel for respondent 7. We are disposing.
My lord, let them, my lord, I am not objection, my lord.
Why you have argued for so many?
My lord, this is not satisfied, my
You
lord.
have taken so many hours. I mean,
My lord, they have not filed affidavit, my lord. I have again.
you have taken considerable amount of time. Since 11:30, it's almost 1 hour.
Well, I pray,
Now, when you have the court is not in your favor, then you want that they should file an affidavit. This is not done.
they have taken time, my lord, always.
See, we have only 4 hours. We have how many cases are on the board? We'll have to finish all the cases.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. If affidavit is filed, my lord, matter is the end there, my lord.
You cannot devote all the entire day for one matter. The 2 doesn't have any merit.
Law point, my lord, my lord, they have to file, my lord.
Are you working? Are you working?
Working, my lord.
Yes, Lordship.
Unnecessary. But don't repeat it again. It is not appreciated. Heard, Miss no. After arguing the matter for a considerable time, MS, Mr. Burbuya, learned counsel for the learned counsel press for
Affidavit is not filed, my lord.
insisted that the affidavit on behalf of state respondents be allowed to be filed. Next para. Madam, you are equally to be blamed. See, you don't have any instruction. The challenge is against your order. You are keeping quiet.
Sometimes their affidavit is enough.
Is ordinarily, after hearing the matter, normally this court would not like to adjourn the matter on account of non-filing of affidavit in opposition by the respondents after hearing the matters at length. Mr. Hauber, considering the prayer of learned counsel to the parties, that this matter be listed after 6 weeks.
Fine.
6 weeks.
Fine.
It
No
is
problem.
made clear that the respondent number 7 shall be allowed to continue
Continue.
to serve as
Tutor.
tutor in terms of the provincialization of order. In terms of the provincialization order.
Diploma.
6 weeks as a indirect punishment, penalty.
Fine. Obliged. 19.
This is a wastage of time. Yes.
That is your lordship. Lordship, our instruction is awaited. I bring some accommodation, lordship.
And Mr. Give the learned counsel for the petitioner on the prayer of Mr. MS Escort learned counsel, standing counsel,
1, 2, 3, and 4, lordship. Respondent number.
standing counsel,
Education.
elementary education, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in office.
A date may be fixed, my lord.
Huh?
A date may be fixed, my lord. And we fix a date.
3 weeks. We'll see. Next.
Item 20 and 21.
My pleasure, lordship.
Yes.
Relates to the releasing of the GPF amount and gratuity amount to the petitioner, lordship. That was not released by the respondent due to excess period of service, lordship. Initially, his date of birth was recorded in the year 1959, lordship, on the basis of the transfer certificate. Later on, he completed his SSLC examination in the and his
Lordship, A.R. Tabildar is appearing in this matter. He is on lakes in Port 1. After some time.
yes.
After some time.
No, we cannot do like this. Urgency is there.
Lordship, petitioner wife is suffering now.
The respondent to release the full GPF amount to the petition.
This gratuity amounts would be released, lordship.
You are supposed to be retired.
Already retired, lordship.
On when?
On 6/5/2023. As per the earlier date of record, he is supposed to be retired on 31/2019, lordship.
19.
Yes, lordship.
You have served.
Overstay, lordship.
You have overstayed.
Yes, lordship.
So until we decide that whether you have overstayed or not, how can we direct them to?
Then, lordship, can it be fixed?
Why you have retired? Why you have overstayed?
Lordship, initially he had submitted a school transfer certificate, whereas it is shown as his date of birth was 1959, lordship. During his service, he completed his SSLC examination, and his certificate was submitted to the authority, where his date of birth was shown as 1968, lordship.
Which certificate it is? Which certificate it is?
High school level certificate, lordship.
And the date of birth will be. You had a date of birth.
He has no relevant document that on the basis of some assumption, lordship, school authority recorded his date
No,
of birth.
that cannot be done. You have done a mistake. But MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioners. Why these 2 writ petitions?
Also, one is for releasing the pensionary benefit, and during the pendency of the case, earlier case, the pension like provisional pension and GPF was released, lordship. But GPF amount was half released, lordship. It's supposed to be released on total amount is 2 lakhs something, but
when you are considered to have served till 2023.
That period has not been regularized by the department. So
supposed to regularize also.
Very difficult. Next para, it is submitted by Mr. D. Permanent Learned Counsel for the Learned Counsel that Mr. Tabildar, Tabildar, Learned Counsel entrusted with the matters is engaged in some other court, therefore fresh for listing of the matter
Finally, Lordship.
after 2 weeks. After a week. Praise the Lord, list after a week. Next week.
So date may be fixed.
Next week you see.
And for school 4, 5 and 6 color. R photo.
Obliged.
Right. Item 22.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, as per the last order, I have received my instructions, Your Lordship. Lordship can.
Relating to non-payment of area salary for certain period process.
Lordship will kindly come to the instruction one. Yes. Lordship will come directly to the decision, my lord. At the third page, the decisions. There was a speaking. This is a speaking order which has been passed, my lord, by the director. In view of the above facts and and record, in pursuance of the order dated 21/2/24 passed by the Honorable Court, the petitioner has not preferred an appeal before the state level scrutiny committee within the stipulated time. Hence, the petitioner's claim cannot be considered for provincialization of service as per the Act of 17. On the other hand, the private respondent number 8, namely Habibur Rahman Borbhuya, has submitted representation for release of his wages. Hence, the representation of respondent number 8 is hereby disposed of.
This is regarding payment of arrear salary.
Yes, my lord. The prayer was.
That part has already gone. Now, Lordship, after that, Lordship, they release my salary, current salary from March 2025. I am getting. Now, the area salary from 1/1/2022 to February 2025. To that effect, Lordship, the proposal has already been sent to the director, Lordship, by the EO.
What you are referring here?
My lord, I'm referring to the amount which has been supposed to be given.
With order for another.
Are you not in some other matter? This is something different.
25.
I have received this order today, my lord.
This is something different. It's in respect of 1277/2021.
Petitioner, my lord.
Huh?
There.
Then, my lord, I'll have to obtain my up-to-date instruction, my lord.
What is this here unnecessary?
My lord,
Please.
Salary will be suggest.
my lord will that is, I think, regarding the current salary, my lord.
This is something different.
I'll obtain my instructions, my lord.
He wants the arrear salary. Claim is for arrear salary. You are producing something. I would like to inform that in compliance order so and so. 1277 is the official.
25.
Lordship, I'll get my up-to-date instruction. Because this is what I have been served today, my lord.
Several occasions, Lordship, they have taken time for obtaining instruction regarding.
Lordship will have it in the next.
What is the name of the petitioner?
Habibur Rahman.
Habibur Rahman Borbhuya.
Huh?
Habibur Rahman Borbhuya. It's regarding the same thing.
This is Rusma Begum Borbhuya.
That was in earlier round of litigation.
That
case was filed by Rusma Begum. So against
So here, my lord,
there is 1277.
my lord, in the petitioner in this case is the respondent number 8 in that case. My lord, so I think my mistake I have given in this case. Same petitioner, my lord, who was the respondent number 8 in the other case.
So
therefore, my lord, I would like to obtain my instruction in the next week. My lordship will fix it. I'll get at least the relevant order.
Mr. Pukon, are you in your sense?
Yes, sir. Lordship will fix it on the next week, my lord. I'll get the relevant instruction.
After that, I am getting the current salary from March 2025. My name is prior to that. First time appearance, right? It already put to the policy. It's a direct people in the table.
You have mentioned regarding release of monthly wages from the current month as well as area dues in respect of petitioner.
Hello.
Subject is correct, but contents are something different.
No, Lordship, what had happened is, this is of a different case where he is the private respondent. That's why I had given the wrong.
Then what you have mentioned is subject is something else. It's mentioned about the present
Yes, Lordship.
petitioner.
I'll bring the relevant instruction in the next week, if your Lordship permits.
Okay, you may be incensed, but your authority not appears to be not incensed. Give it back. Heard Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. A. Fukan, learned standing counsel, elementary education department. Further, is granted further a week's time is to obtain instruction as regards the area salary of the petitioner in terms of the order that 0106/2026. This after a week.
The next week, any date may be given.
After a week, it will list it.
Yes, madam, I'll bring it.
You return that, huh?
Yeah, Lordship, in this case, the department is required to file affidavit, Lordship, in the last occasion, their time.
Yes.
Under the private respondent, the lawsuit. This more time may be given lawsuit to file affidavit. 2 weeks time may be given. 2 weeks time may be given a lawsuit for filing affidavit.
Yes. State.
Lordship, in this case, that issue regarding the finalization of the gradation list, Lordship. So the draft gradation list was published, but there was no objection from the petitioner. Now, even if the gradation list is subject to appeal provision is there, Lordship. So he may prefer an appeal raising his grievance, Lordship. I am giving the provision, Lordship.
If objection is not filed.
Yes, Lordship. This is my instruction, Lordship. Lordship, section 25, Lordship. Rule
what?
25.
Of what?
Some secondary education provincial election rule 2018. Lordship, I am reading that 11. The draft common gradation list in respect of graduate teacher and procedure teacher of higher secondary school or higher or multiple school shall be published by the inspector of school as per procedure under sub rule 2 above. Thereafter, the inspector of school shall finally publish the same with due address of each objection. Any appeal in this regard will be taken up by the next higher authority, that is Director of Secondary Education. So, draft gradation list which is finalized by the inspector is subject to appeal before the Director of Secondary Education.
Oh, my lord, my learned friend is submitting what's of, may I read this provision, Lordship? 1 second, Lordship. The draft gradation list shall be published by the appointing authority for every district in the beginning of each calendar year, inviting objection from each incumbent by endorsing a copy of the same. The incumbent concerned shall be allowed to submit objection, if any, within a stipulated period which shall not be less than 7 days. Here, they have given only 3 days. The final gradation list shall be published with the due.
You have filed an objection or not?
No, Lordship. Can you see, Lord? The final gradation list shall be published with the due address of each objection, if any. I have not filed objection. Even by the appointing authority, any appeal in this regard, then Lordship, if someone filed an objection, then in this regard, if something is Lordship decided, then appeal may lie against this objection, decision of the objection, Lordship. This is the provision here, Lordship.
You have filed an objection.
No, Lordship.
Then?
Because they have prepared the final gradation list. They have published the draft list. Then they call for all the candidates, Lordship. We appeared, Lordship. And without, Lordship,
Following the due process, Lordship, they published this gradation list, only mentioning, Lordship, kindly see the final gradation list. Only 24 persons' name has been inserted by PK and Judge basis, Lordship. Whereas in the draft gradation list, there was, Lordship, total, Lordship,
Heard Mr.
AMS Majumdar.
MH?
AMS Majumdar.
AMS Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for by Mr. PP Datta, learned standing counsel, secondary education, as well as Mr. S. Roy, learned counsel for the respondent number 528. Then as well as Noda, comma, and Miss MS K. Pukon, learned state counsel for the 3 weeks time is granted to file their respective affidavits in opposition. List after 3 weeks.
So, a date may be fixed. A date may be obliged.
24.
Maybe. In this case, petitioner has completed a Bachelor of Dental Surgery, Surgeon from Saran Singh University, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Thereafter, he approached before the principal, Regional Dental College, Gauhati, allow him to internship practice by filing a simple representation and XRP page number 13. But Lordship, India, after filing the simple representation, Lordship, the Director of Health Authority has informed to the petitioner as well as the principal, Lordship, that at this stage he was not allowed to internship practice because he did not submit at the time of filing representation NOC. Into their affidavit, Lordship, para number 6, page number 22, subclause A, Lordship, kindly reproduce.
Affidavit?
Affidavit filed by the Director, Lordship. Page number 22, paragraph number 6, subclause A, Lordship. Wherein clearly mentioned that the petitioner did not file NOC at the time of filing the representation. But the actual fact is that, Lordship, the parent dental college has issued NOC only in favor of the applicant, in favor of the student. Only when the parent dental college presume that he will be get a seat, he will be available a seat in any other dental college except the parent dental college to practice to the internship practice under the guidance of the specific dental college. But whenever receive any instruction from the dental college other than parent dental college, Lordship, that definitely my parent dental college has been issued NOC to me. But in this case, Lordship, instead of filing any specific answer passed by the principal regional dental college, Lordship, the director itself communicated to the petitioner as well as the principal, Lordship, the petitioner has no way allowed to internship practice under the guidance of the principal regional dental college, only because of that petitioner at the time of filing a representation, he did not submit the NOC. So it is not the appropriate instruction, Lordship, but principal, yes, in this case, Lordship, completely failing to perform his duties, as because principal.
See, requirement of this circular is you have to submit NOC from both the parent and the transferring college.
My parent
Dental college.
My parent college.
Since you have not submitted the NOC, you submit the NOC, then they'll receive.
My humble submission is that, Your Lordship, my
Yes.
parent dental college.
Are you disputing the circular?
Definitely will NOC.
Circular 1/3/2019, are you disputing?
Your Lordship, whenever my parent dental college presumption is that.
What presumption?
That parent dental college is presumed that he will get a chance for practicing under internship practice in any
What's the
other.
question of presumption?
Lordship, definitely if he informed that student will avail a seat in any other dental college except parent dental college.
I'm not getting head and tail what you are trying to say. We'll go by the circular. Circular request to submit, the circular requires that you should submit an NOC. If you have not submit, matter ends there.
Lordship, come to my affidavit, Lordship. I have submitted affidavit, Lordship, on 4/6/2024. I have submitted.
You show us this circular. Dental Council of India circular.
Yes, definitely, Lordship. Annexure C, page number 14.
Page 14.
Yes. No. Circular is specifically in my lead petition, Lordship, page number 14. Your Lordship referring to me circular, 14th March 2019. Annexure C, page number 14.
Shall have to obtain NOC from the parent and transfer it dental college authenticated by the enrolled affiliating institution 76M along with other relevant documents directly to following designation. Yes, that you have not done.
So, Lordship, my parent dental college definitely will NOC whenever parent.
Where is that NOC?
Parent dental college think that I will avail a seat in any other dental college, Lordship, for internship practice. Otherwise, Lordship, without getting assurance from any other dental college, my parent dental college cannot allow me. Yes, because presently I am the student of the parent dental college.
Mintu Bhai.
That is why.
Mintu Bhai, you are wasting your time.
Your Lordship, kindly one second, Lordship.
You are not disputing this Dental Council of India. This is circular is clearly mentioned that you should submit an NOC from both the college.
Go through my affidavit, Lordship.
Your affidavit will not change the requirement of the circular. Sir, your affidavit will not cannot change the circular. You are not saying that. You interpret this. What does it mean?
Your Lordship may
The student desires to undergo his from the dental college other than his parent dental college shall have to obtain his NOC.
Definitely, I will obtain NOC, Lordship.
You obtain and come. What's there?
Your Lordship, whenever my parent dental college principal, Lordship, he think that I will avail a seat from other dental college for internship practice, definitely he will issue NOC, Lordship. Now I am referring, Lordship, my affidavit. Kindly be patient, kindly 1 second, Lordship, go through my additional affidavit 4/6/2024. Only 1 second, my humble submission. Then thereafter, your Lordship will dismiss my writ petition. No,
then if you want to, if I have to dismiss, why you should hear? Wastage of time.
Dental college, Lordship, I have approached by filing a email, Lordship, the instantly 2 number of dental college authority other than in Assam, Lordship, not in Assam, Lordship, other than one is the Karnataka and one is the another state, instantly allow me an issuance of the NOC, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, I have affixing this two NOC, Lordship.
From where?
My affidavit, page number
From
46.
where?
In my affidavit, 46.
From where you have obtained the NOC?
KGF College, Dental Science Hospital.
Is your parent college?
No. Other than parental, other than parental dental college.
Where you want to do your internship?
Actually, Lordship, not getting opportunity in Assam. Then thereafter, I have tried to 2 number of colleges for internship practice. Instantly, 2 number of colleges allowing me to practice there. But
You
due to my
practice there. Don't waste your time.
my privilege is here.
You are a doctor.
Yes, Lordship, my privilege is
You are a
here,
doctor.
Lordship.
Don't waste your
The
time.
dental college.
Don't waste your time here.
Kindly go
Thank you.
through my para number 8.
What does it mean?
Your Lordship has
Wrongly or rightly they have given. You have been allowed in somewhere, some other college.
Please go through my.
If
affidavit,
the
Lordship. My
authority
affidavit
goes
has
by
been
the
prepared.
circular of the DCI,
Lordship, your
Dental
lordship,
Council of India, how can you
I have filed the instant affidavit in pursuance of the Honorable Court order dated 21/5/2026.
saying
On
what?
that day, Honorable Court granted
Ah.
liberty to me to file an affidavit. Accordingly, I have filed an affidavit. Your
What's the
lordship
big
has
deal?
kindly prepared my affidavit, lordship.
Where is this? What do you
Yes,
want
your-
to say?
Yes, your lordship.
Where is this order? Which order?
Order is there, lordship.
Huh?
21/5/2026.
Saying what?
An Honorable Court granted liberty to file an affidavit. Accordingly, I have filed an affidavit. That is why your
That
lordship
means the
kindly
matter
peruse
may
my
be taken up on letter. It is also seen affidavit as directed on the last day has been filed by the government and it is on record. 21/5. Which order?
Your lordship, order is there, lordship. Maybe on record. Maybe on
Which order you are saying? You are referring.
21/5/2026. 21/5/2026, thereby Honorable Court.
Mr. M.S.B. Das, Learned Counsel submits that matter may be taken up on later date. It is also seen that affidavit as directed on the last day has been filed by the government advocate and it is on record. Prayer is allowed. List the matter for list. Let this matter listed on 04/06/2026. That's all.
In reply to their affidavit, lordship.
Now
they
you
have
are
filed one another
you are trying to say that other college in which you are presently undergoing
Yes.
The what do you call it? Internship
Internship program.
has been allowed
Internship.
you to do the internship
Yes.
without an NOC.
Yes.
That is what you are trying to say. It doesn't make any difference. We'll go by the Dental Council of India circular.
But in these cases, lordship,
They are
I
saying
find-
that as per the circular, requirement is to submit the NOC from parent and the transferee college. Until unless you do that, you cannot be allowed.
But your lordship,
Letter
I
is there.
find my representation before the principal. Principal has
You are-
yet passed any order, so direction may be given to the principal stating that you did not file your NOC at the time of representation. That is why your pair has been rejected. Kindly pass the direction to the principal, Regional Dental College, Gauhati, lordship. Within
Sir,
a period of 1 year.
Sir,
by passing a
mind you,
speaking order, your lordship.
mind you, we are not here to, pass order.
That is
On
my
your-
humble
on your-
prayer.
at the
My
dicta-
humble prayer I have
on the
appealed to this court.
dictation of the petitioner.
Your lordship, absolutely.
Or
But-
Mr.
but your lordship, my humble
Pintu
prayer.
Soikia, Learned Counsel
I
for the
plead
petitioner.
your lordship.
And also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare for respondent number,
One.
But my submission may be recorded, lordship.
as well as
Did not pass any specific order, lordship.
One and two.
My submission may be recorded. Then your lordship will.
State Council. Huh?
Dental council.
Dental Council of India. Writ petition disposed of, dismissed.
My submission may be recorded.
Writ petition dismissed. We'll record everything.
Yes, your lordship.
But irrelevant will not record.
Your lordship will pass the proper order. But-
You have admitted that you have not
But
furnished,
in
you
this
have not
case,
furnished the
once you put
NOC,
representation,
NOC, as well as you
Yes.
are not disputing
but
the
the same
circular.
fact could not
Thank
be
you.
passed-
Thank you.
Same fact could not be
Thank you.
disclosed by the principal lordship. Highly obliged. Item 25.
Disposed.
That is a lot. Topic 25, we have received our instructions. Lordship will give us some time, Lordship.
MS,
M. Nirula, Lordship. On the
M.
last one, it was.
Nirola, Learned Council. Yes, last sentence.
Lordship. On the last occasion, it was for last. This time, after vacation, your Lordship will see filing it.
Learned Council for the petitioner. Next para. MS. Although this court on 26/05/2026 granted the respondents to granted a license for filing affidavit in opposition, comma. Today, MS
D. Musahari.
D. Musari, learned Standing Council,
Secondary, Your Lordship.
Secondary Education, submits that she has already received the instruction. Therefore, praise for another last chance, another and final last chance to bring on record the instruction by an affidavit, considering the next matter, considering the issue involved in this proceedings. Which requires, which would, for which, no, proceedings, the affidavit of the respondents would be required. The prayer of London Standing Council is accepted, and accordingly, the message be listed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the respondents, the London Standing Council filed the required affidavit. Rest of it is made clear that no further time will be granted for filing affidavit.
I pray for any date, Lordship, after vacation.
After 4 weeks, something. What is the urgency? Any urgency?
Because the interview is not been held of the petitioner, though it is the outcome of the writ petition. So any date after vacation?
Yes.
29. Okay.
Item 26. May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Sir, regarding regulation of the repeating the service as a teacher in Tengamara High School, it's in the district of Kokrajhar.
Regularization or provincialization?
So it's provincialization, sorry.
So
This honorable court finally order dated 26/5/2026, paragraph number 3. This is relevant, Your Lordship. May I read the order, Your Lordship? Paragraph number 3. That is, today the learned standing from the Secondary Education Department has submitted that the proposal for regularization, provincialization of the service of the petitioner would be placed before the Finance Department within a short while. The Learned Standing Council submitted the joint sitting of the Finance Department and Education Department has recommended the case of the petitioners. Therefore, now efforts have been made to give effect to such recommendations. According to the list of matter on 17 June 2026 by the respondents in the Secondary Education Department shall ensure filing of an affidavit of opposition bringing on record a response to the stance taken in the petitions. Failing which, this court may impose cost on the respondents for causing delay in executing the matter.
So, Lordship, today the affidavit has come. We'll be filing it today, Your Lordship. And to the Finance Department, it was sent on 27/5/2026, Your Lordship.
you are filing affidavit today.
Lordship, it has, in the due course of the day will be.
What is your stand?
Lordship, our stand is that.
Has it been approved?
Lordship, the resolution had been taken that we'll be provincializing her services, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And so the proposals.
You want the
And her proposals were sent on 27/5/2026 to the Finance Department, Your Lordship.
You are more interested in cost or the provincialization?
I'm provincialized. For provincialized. It's a series of order has been passed by this honorable court for updating the requesting the department concerned to place the entire material before this honorable court.
Yes, what is your, it's there that you have decided to
provincialize her services, Your Lordship.
The
So
time
we are awaiting the conference from the Finance Department.
How long it takes?
So on 27/5/2026, it was sent to the
Sent to the
Finance
Finance
Department. So time will be required, Your Lordship.
Since she has been working 1995 without any getting
Mister,
age for
can we dispose it of? Giving you to complete the process by within 1 month?
1 month, Your Lordship.
Can you do that?
1 month or 2 months maybe.
No,
given, Your Lordship. Because Finance Department, they are
Many formalities have to be followed, Your Lordship.
Anyway, you bring on record.
Lordship.
You have filed today.
Today, we will be filing it, Your Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
H. Burwal.
Then we'll not comment anything on it. You just see the bit, and on that basis we may close the writ petition.
My request is that the provincial should be given in a time-bound manner, Your Lordship.
The problem is it's a finance may not give concurrence.
Let me bring this on record, Your Lordship, maybe on the next.
Okay.
Then
Yes, heard, Mr.
H. Burwal.
H. Burwal and counsel for the petitioner.
Next matter is fixed on Friday, Your Lordship.
What Friday?
This coming Friday, so that affidavit and dispose of the matter, Your Lordship.
MS
D. Musahari, Your Lordship.
D. Musahari, Land Council for the Land State Council, Standing Council, Elementary and Secondary Education Department submits that she would be filing the affidavit of opposition indicating that the proposal for provincial of the petitioner shall be given effect to, shall be approved. No, indicating that the state respondents, the response authorities have decided to accept the recommendation for provincialization of the service of the petitioner, for which the proposal for which the decision has been forwarded, which has been for which the decision has been placed before the finance department for its conference, during the course of the day. Consider in view of, let this matter be listed
On Friday, Your Lordship.
after a week, next week.
Let me fix, Your Lordship, because she's been waiting. It's a delay. 1995, she's been working. Not a single pay, Your Lordship, she has been.
You are not. It's not an isolated case.
Lordship.
There are so many.
Data, video, data.
Obliged.
Item 27.
Your Lordship. Matter will be passed out for the timing, Lordship.
Affidavit has been filed.
Your Lordship, they have filed one IA, Your Lordship.
Yes, but I'm the private respondent.
Or what?
I am for estate vacating. In that
At Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner in IA, huh? No, IA, huh?
I filed by, yes.
You are pressing the IA.
Yes. But in that they have filed their affidavit also.
Okay, then.
Then today they are seeking time. There are some difficulties.
On the prayer of Mr.
Yes, Hussain, Lordship.
S. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Date, my lord, after vacation, any date if possible.
You give the date after 4 weeks in this case. 29.
29.
Make it 29.
Obliged.
Item 29.
Sorry, Lordship. Interim is there, Lordship.
Interim order partially shall continue.
Obliged.
28.
Lordship, matter will be passed out for timing. Ken Chaudhary will appear.
What is the matter about?
Regarding suspension, Your Lordship.
Affidavit has been filed.
Here,
my lord,
Your
item
28, we have filed our affidavit, and 29, we are waiting for instruction matter. Regarding suspension matter.
29 is suspension.
For reinstatement.
Huh?
At
For
two-
Then 28?
28 is for subsistence allowance.
Huh?
Subsistence allowance.
So in 28 subsistence allowance. So you have already paid.
75%.
You have paid. You have released. You have paid. As per your instruction, I mean the affidavit. Then 29,
29, we are waiting.
this is more important.
Ken Chaudhary will appear, Your
It's
Lordship.
okay.
No,
But then see,
two.
we'll have to see
At 2, Your Lordship.
suspension, what they are claiming.
My lord. At 2,
There was no review
my lord.
within the stipulated period.
At 2, Your Lordship will take it.
It's
Ken
okay.
Chaudhary will appear.
Let them file affidavit.
Ken Chaudhary will appear. At 2, Your Lordship will have.
Why?
He is another court, Your Lordship. He will
It's
appear.
okay, they have not filed affidavit.
Whatever it is, my lord, he is appear in this case, Your Lordship. To Your Lordship, just that 1 minute, Your Lordship. To my humble submission. Master,
After something. After something.
31 and 32.
No affidavit has been filed.
Arun Dole.
My lord, yet to receive instructions in this matter, Lord, I pray for some time.
Heard Mr. BP Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, huh? On the prayer of Miss
T. Wapangla, my lord.
T. Wapangla, learned, huh?
Liverpool University.
Learned counsel for Tezpur University. Press for in, no,
Liverpool University.
T. Wapangla, learned standing counsel for Dibrugarh University. Press for in, granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Apply.
33.
Yes.
I need some time, my lord. I have not received the instruction yet.
Not Mr.
My name is A. Narzari.
N. Narzari.
A. Narzari.
A. Narzari, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel, elementary education. For the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned CJC. The distinguished accountant general is present.
It will be listed after vacation.
Yes. 4 weeks, 3 weeks, it should be listed. Okay, there are so many. Just wait. It will be finished.
34, I guess.
34.
May I please, Lord?
Look,
kindly peruse the last order, my lord.
Yes. Restated.
Yes, well, as per their instruction, but
Then,
there is no written instruction.
once it is registered, what's you have a doubt or what?
Well, still we have not communicated, my lord. So far, my instruction comes.
And Mr.
K. Roman, my lord.
K. Roman, learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner challenges the suspension.
Suspension order, my lord. Page 67, my lord.
67.
Yes, ma'am. Annex 12.
Suspension order dated 01/12/2025. Passed by the Director Elementary Education, Assam. Whereby the petitioner was placed under suspension. On account of the arrest of the petitioner on 01/11/2024. In connection with in connection with police case. Police case number 3606 of 2024. Under section 85/64. Within bracket 1, bracket close 3, within bracket 5, BNS 2023. Page 67, huh? MS HUT learned Standing Council Elementary Education Department by placing the order dated 06/06/2026 was by the Director of Elementary Education, I think, submits that. The suspension. Reinstatement means it's been revoked.
Madam? Yes, yes, madam. It is written here,
No,
madam. If
huh?
he ever reinstated in his original post with immediate effect.
So means that the petitioner has been reinstated in his original post with immediate effect. Please. In view of above. There's nothing. No, no adjudication is. No education is required to be made in this proceedings. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed as in process.
We kept it part of the.
The copy of the order dated 06/06/2026 is kept on record and marked as document X.
Obliged.
37 and 58.
What's in item 36? We have filed a petition for infringement as a respondent. Only because of it, we have earlier approached this honorable court for filing a writ petition regarding selection of the some of the private writ petitioner for promotion to the post of headmaster in different school in Baska. And that petition has been allowed and directed the authority to go for fresh selection. And thereafter, authority has started fresh selection. Now that order has been challenged in the present writ petition. So we are affected parties because interim order has been passed to status quo in respect of the petition.
What is that?
Lordship will find in the IA, Lordship 2024. Item number 36.
58. 36.
58.
2024 of 2026, IA.
58. It was not mentioned or what? $58 has not been mentioned. So we'll dispose of the IA.
Lordship, I want disposal because we want to impede ourselves as the party respondent because we are affected parties. We are affected parties because High Court's order were going to be implemented by the PTC authorities for going for fresh selection of the post of headmaster. And they were petitioner in the earlier writ petition. Now they have filed a fresh writ petition challenging the decision making by the authority on the basis of the High Court's order. And there is a status quo order in the present writ petition. And fresh selection.
So you are a writ petition.
We are the petitioner in early writ petition, where we have challenged selection of the private respondent to the post of headmaster in different schools.
Who are the petitioner in the present proceedings? Huh?
And they have obtained a status quo order. And because of this,
first we'll implead you, then we'll give you a chance to submit your argument on merit, right? So today we'll implead you. Any objection? No.
No objection, Lordship.
Mr. S.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, applicants. And also, and you said, and MS?
And Chaudhary.
And Chaudhary, learned standing counsel. BTC.
I'm for the petitioner.
As well as the your name, please.
Appearing on behalf of P. Mohanto, Your Lordship.
P. Mohanto.
Yes, Your Lordship. Appearing on behalf of P. Mohanto.
What is your name, sir?
M. Sharma, Your Lordship.
M. Sharma, learned counsel, appearing for Mr. P. Mohanto, learned counsel for the respondents of petitioners. You record his name also.
I am ordered respondent number 1, Sharma.
You, Sharma. Standing counsel. Yes. Next para. This is an application seeking implement of the applicants in the connected. All the writ petition or one writ petition?
In one writ petition.
In connected WPC 1987 of 2026. Please stop. the writ petitioners and the connected WPC 1987/2026 has approached this court challenging what?
Lordship, earlier order passed by this.
Not earlier.
Earlier order page 52 of this honorable court, where we are the petitioner.
No. What order they have challenged?
They challenged the last order. Lordship will find a page, last page of the petition.
IA.
Lordship. Page 60.
60.
Annex of 4.
Not the last order.
Page 60, annex of 4.
Order dated 12/03/2026 passed by the Secretary BTC. The earlier proceedings was recommendation was cancelled, whereby the recommendation for promotion to the post of headmaster/headmistress under Buxar district by the Departmental Promotion Commission BTC on 04/03/2020 is cancelled, and to conduct interview afresh pursuant to the order of this court. Pursuant to the decision of this court, in batch of writ petition, leading case being WPC 1735 of 2024. Mr. Next paragraph. The applicants were the writ petitioners who have challenged the recommendation or promotion to the post of headmaster/headmistress dated 04/03/2024. The order dated 12/03/2026 passed by the Secretary in the order under challenge, in the connected writ petition dated 12/03/26 passed by the petitioner and passed by the Secretary BTC appears to be pursuant to the order passed by this court in the batch of writ petitions filed by the applicants in the earlier round of litigation. Next paragraph. Having considered that the in view, thus the applicants hearing would be a necessary party in the proceedings when the order dated 12/03/2026 has been put to challenge. Mr. Having considered that the applicants would be a necessary part, they would be affected in the event any order is passed in the connected writ petition as the claim and counterclaim as regards the promotion to the post of headmaster and public headmistress is in between the opposite party writ petitioners and the applicants. I'm of the considered view that the applicant's hearing would be a necessary party for adjudication of the issue in the connected writ petition. You have no objection?
No, I have objection, Melody.
What objection?
Yesterday, Melody.
What is there?
1 week.
See, order has been passed on the order pursuant to the order, the writ petition filed by the applicants.
My lord peruses the judgment. The judgment does not say that you set aside the entire.
No, it's not that. They have taken a decision.
Lordship, give me
So
1
they'll
week.
be affected.
1 week's time, I'll file an objection.
It's not a direction to set aside or the cancel. But then
We just received the copy yesterday, madam. Yesterday.
it doesn't make any difference.
1 week's time, my lord.
What doesn't make a
I'll file an
difference?
objection, short objection, my
No,
lord.
I have already completed the dictation. You could have said so.
My lord, I thought the I would not be.
Nothing, what will be there? If if they are heard also, what difference will be there?
There were
See,
certain-
wrongly or rightly, order is in pursuant to the, you see the impugn order,
Yes, yes. Because
12/3.
why I say so, my lord, what I was
They have
thinking-
referred to all those, the orders passed in his writ petition.
I totally understood what I was thinking, my lord, with all due respect, my lord. The
Your
number-
your proceedings or recommendation
Yes, yes.
have been put to challenge by them.
My lord, I'll just point out, my lord. My lord, all the total petitioners who had filed the writ petitions, they can be accommodated because there are so many,
We'll
more
see.
than that numbers of vacancies, my lord. So they may not be proper parties, my lord. Lordship would give me 1 week's time, I'll file an objection, my lord. Yesterday, 3
They are
PM,
not proper party, but then they are necessary party.
yesterday, 3 PM.
Not only
sir,
proper party, they are.
I'll try and satisfy my lord. Kindly,
No, no,
just
it's
1
okay.
week's time, my lord.
Doesn't make any difference.
3 PM.
See, if they were heard also, they are heard also, nothing will make any, nothing makes difference.
Just 1 week time.
No,
I'll
what's
file an
the-
objection, Lordship would consider and
Again, we'll have to consider and reject your objection. We'll allow.
take instructions from the client, sir.
Now, had it
1
been
week, 1 week.
in a different, situation, had it not been the pursuant to the order of this court,
But
in the writ petition filed by them challenging your recommendation,
Exactly,
matter
madam.
would have been, there may be a
My-
little scope to hear.
My ground in the
Or
writ
object.
petition, my ground in the writ petition was that there is no nexus at all with the petitions filed by them. That is the reason I want to file a
It's
objection. 1 week time kindly, or Lordship may take up this Friday, my lord.
No,
I'll
no.
file an
I
objection.
have dictated the order, it's okay. No prejudice will cause to you, even if they are impleaded, if they are heard, nothing will happen. Your, the merit or whatever, the grounds will remain the same.
That would be,
They may object, they may submit.
I was thinking, you know,
It doesn't.
Metal some internal-
It will be a mere formality, providing you are naturally. I understand, you should be provided, but in the facts of the present case, facts and circumstances, I think you should, you don't feel, you don't feel that we have violated the principle of natural justice. And your junior were there, you could have instructed him.
so, my lord, I was instructed, my lord, that you take time to file the affidavit, my lord.
And you
yesterday-
take it an exception.
Obliged.
Accordingly, tricky application is
In item
allow-
35 and 37, my lord, I am appearing
For
Huh?
the petitioners.
Similar
But
matter.
item number, similar matter, my lord, item 35 and 37, I am appearing. For the petitioners.
All are series, similar order, all are against the same order.
No, we are pleading
Yes,
them only in one matter.
Yes,
36.
my lord, in 35, 37, my learned friend.
In
supposed to
item
file-
36.
That's 35, 37, my lord, supposed to file, my lord, they're supposed to file affidavit.
Then you write in the writ petitions, huh? Or Mr. P.
Yes,
Mahanta
Chairman.
in WPC.
Fellows, WPC 1987, fellows.
And conflict for
This
the
is item number 36.
36.
36. You are in
I am in 35 and 37.
and Mr.
S.
Mr.
Chauhan, S. Chauhan.
H. Chauhan, non-conflict for the petitioner in 36, 36, 37
37,
and
35.
35 and 36. Huh? You just mentioned the writ petition.
P. Mohanta for 36.
Ah. And Mr. MS.
And so
And so the land standing council BTC has agreed to the party, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. Huh?
Before that, let's say, we are. My lord, vacation is.
3 weeks. In the meantime, the state respondents to file their affidavits.
Lordship, registry will make the registry correction in the cost title of item 4. After implement.
We'll file the amended.
You have to file the same.
No, they have filed the application for implement.
This petition, we cannot file a cost title.
It has to be filed before the registry, my lord.
You file it.
If my lord.
You file there, what's that? In
Not
item
sure.
36, in view of the order passed in ISO and so, learned council for the petitioners to file amended cost title. It's a 1 page only. You just
Apply.
on receipt of the amended cost title, the registry to incorporate the name of the newly implemented respondents. You write from respondent 6 to 7, so it's in the application, huh? Okay.
In 38.
It is also over. Huh? I dispose.
My lord, an affidavit has been filed, and in that affidavit, a new ground has been, my lord, come up.
Hmm.
In the impugn order, they have said that, my lord, the dais code not belongs to us. And now, my lord, in
You
the
want to
affidavit,
reply, file a reply.
my lord, can be taken up.
On the
because,
Mr.
my lord, some
on the
urgencies there, my
prayer,
lord.
on the prayer of Mr. A.R. Boyle, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, let this, further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit
My
in
lord,
reply.
my lord.
2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in reply.
Obliged.
39.
Please, allow.
Yes.
My lord, I am appearing for CBSE in this matter, my lord.
Hmm.
We filed an affidavit in objection today, my lord. That is not come up on record.
You have filed.
My
My
lord.
lordship.
Heard MS,
S.G. Borua.
S.G. Borua, learned
My
counsel.
lordship, can this matter, my lordship, be PROCEED, my lordship order on 13/5/2026.
Hmm.
My lordship has passed one order, my lordship, it was there on that day 13/5/2026. Can this matter may come up on next Tuesday? It can be disposed of also, my lordship.
When?
Because my lordship had asked CBSE to produce to bring the records.
Hmm.
Actually, because 3 marks were given to one child, 3 different marks in the subject science, my lordship. My lordship might remember that. My lordship 13/5/2026, my lordship.
Yes, yes, I've seen it.
Records are there, my lord. It has come from the CBSE.
You filed the affidavit as well as you produce the record.
Affidavit,
is
my lord, we
filed
have filed already.
Okay,
Record
heard
is already there, my lord.
S.G. Borua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, it is submitted by Mr.
M.K. Das, Standing
M-
Council, CBSE. my lord.
M.K. Das, learned standing counsel, CBSE. That an affidavit has, on behalf of the CBSE has been
One, two,
filed
three, my lord.
today. You have filed today.
My lord.
That's how the same is not tagged with the records.
They have produced the records also. my lord.
Accordingly,
I'm agreeing for respond number 4.
list this matter after
No, my lordship, can it be next week? Because the exam,
a week.
my lordship, can it be on date maybe? fixed
After
on-
a week,
Date
on
may-
which date the Mr. Das to produce the records, relevant
Today
records.
is also available,
You be with,
my lord.
My lordship, date may be different.
You retain the record
My lord.
My lordship, the date may be different, or is it?
next week. Whether it will be possible or not next week. Huh? Your name is Mr. Your name? Answer Malanat.
Respond number 4.
Council for respond number 4 is present. Who is respond number 4?
School.
Okay.
Principal of this school needs a pro forma. My lordship, can it be on my lordship 23rd? Can it be?
You just list, but it may not be possible.
Yes. Obliged.
It pleases my lord.
Yes.
My lord, detailed paragraphs comments has been received yesterday, my lord.
Ah.
In course of time to bring it on record. my lord.
Lordship, we have no objection, your lordship, however, the interim
You have no objection for what?
for them filing the affidavit, your lordship.
Okay. You have received the instruction.
My lord, yesterday, my lord, paragraphs comment.
Okay. And Mr.
T. Kashyap, your lord.
P. Kashyap, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next, Mr.
H. Burwa, my lord.
H. Baru, learned standing counsel.
Counsel on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel for
Respondent number 2, 3, and 5.
for what? Standing
CRT.
counsel for what? What?
SCR.
SCR.
SCRT.
And CM Vigilance.
Submits that an instruction have been received yesterday to which he would like to bring on record by an affidavit, therefore praise for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list the matter after 3 weeks. Next para, MS RH Chaudhary. You are for?
And for respondent number 4, your lordship. Lordship, the interim order is operating against me.
Okay. And counsel for the respond number 4.
Let me immediately after on reopening, your lordship.
4 is present. You are not filing any affidavit.
Lordship, I do not need to because the entire grievance is against the, against that. The only thing is that she's working with us as a teacher.
Hmm.
And we have been instructed not to remove her till she clarifies her name. The difficulty is in her name. Her name has been wrongly spelled out in records. And they are the ones who will be making the correction.
Nusrat Parveen
Yes.
Ali instead of Nusrat Parveen Ali. Same.
Lordship, the.
I don't see any
SNR.
difference.
R
Huh?
and the S, your lordships.
The alphabet.
Nusrat.
Nusrat and Nusrat.
And the name of
Maybe
the.
because of my 4 eyes. Okay. Is agreed to by land council panel. Let this matter be listed on
Lordship,
Perhaps on 20th of July.
20
Lordship, we have no objection.
07/2020. Yes.
Lordship, interim orders may be.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Pass over.
What do you want?
What is the actual name? Parveen.
The actual name is Nusrat, Nusrat.
Nursat, not Nursat.
Not Nursat.
Okay. According to you,
I do not have any objection. She told us Nusrat.
whether Nursat or Nusrat.
We saw Nusrat. But then she was supposed to clarify that we asked her that there's a problem in your name in one of your documents. So she said she will clarify it. She's on probation for 2 years. 2 years over. Now the DOPT and OM says that we cannot keep her on probation for more than 1 more year. And that is our difficulty. That 1 more year will expire in November.
Okay.
So before November, if she doesn't give it to us, then we have to terminate her service.
Okay.
Lordship, the communications by SCRT is like, we do not have the documents, it is with the CM Vigilance. So they are simply.
We'll file our affidavit.
Okay.
What do you want?
Lordship, our instruction is awaited, Lordship.
And Mr.
S. Ahmed.
S.U. Ahmed, Learned Council for Deputies. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to MS ESCO Learned Standing Council,
Elementary education.
Elementary Agent to file affidavit in opposition. Yes, next.
What do you do?
Same lordship, same matter.
Here, Mr. You are also A. Fukan, Standing Council Elementary, same order.
Right.
Item 59, supplementary.
Lordship, in this case, I have received one instruction. We need clarification because the petitioner has challenged the order dated 20/2/2025. Some repetition has been sent to us, so we sought for some clarification. So I will be granted 2 weeks time, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Air Buya, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. MS? SL. S. Learned Counsel for the petitioners. As prayed for by Mr. PP Dr. Learned Standing Counsel.
Lordship.
Of what?
Secondary.
Second is further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction. Yes, next.
19, 28 and 29.
Right.
28, 29.
Lordship, my senior Mr. K.N. Chaudhary is leading us in this matter. It is an engaged matter, Your Lordship. He is on legs before court number 1, Your Lordship.
Can't help it. So far as item, what is this?
Item 28 and 29, Your Lordship.
Item 20 is concerned, it has become in process.
Lordship.
Right.
Lordship, it is his matter.
Huh? Yes, item 20 is for payment of subsistence allowance.
Suspension regarding certain cost also, reinstatement, Your Lordship.
No. Item, just carefully listen. Item 28 is for seeking a payment of subsistence allowance, which you have been paid 75% as per the rules, right? So it has become in process. And so far item 29 is concerned, you are challenging suspension, continuous, right?
No, my lord. In 28, my lord, challenging the suspension order, Your Lord.
Then 29?
29 regarding DP, Your Lordship.
What DP?
My lord. So called, Your Lordship.
This is item 28 is?
That is why I play before Your Lordship, K.N. Chaudhary will appear, Your Lordship.
No, see.
Matter will fix on Monday, Your Lordship. He is another busy for another court, Your Lordship. So my humble submission, matter will fix on Monday, Your Lordship.
Suspension. Yes, you are wrong. One is for against the suspension, other one is for initiation of different proceedings.
And Monday, my lord.
Let them file affidavit.
After vacation, evening.
No, my lord, Monday.
Heard Mr.
R.M. Chaudhary.
R.M. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the. Yes, this, they want to file affidavit in item 29. Okay.
But it is already, anyway, let them file it.
Let them file, because you have challenged, the item 29, you have challenged the initiation of, proceedings.
Yes, actually, my lord, I do not know what purpose is being served by this DP and my suspension, my lord. It can be not be the pleasure. End of the day, my lord, merely because actually what had happened, a lady died by suicide, my lord, and she was a head teacher of a particular school. And I was the deputy inspector, a block elementary education officer. And in the, my lord, suicide note, she has indicated that I used to harass her. In terms, not otherwise, my lord, in terms of official work and all. For that, my lord, I was arrested. I was in custody, so I was placed under suspension. Now, thereafter, they have reviewed the suspension, and my DP is going on for now for more than a year.
They have reviewed and allowed you to continue under suspension.
Going ahead, my lord. And
no, they have reviewed your suspension.
They have reviewed my suspension also. They have extended it.
Extended.
And my humble submission is, my lord, merely because I was arrested in a particular case. My lord, can it be said that I have committed a misconduct? Tomorrow, if in the trial, my lord, something, because you can't, have a DP and, my lord, criminal case on the same set of facts. That's the only exception. Otherwise, there is no bar.
But the department misconduct or not, it will be matter to be decided in the disciplinary proceedings.
No. If it arises of the same set of facts, then Supreme Court in Paul Anthony and all these cases has carved out an exception. Well, the same set of witness, same set of allegation, then Supreme Court says it is always advisable that DP should be stayed till the criminal case is over. In criminal case, the charge sheet has not been filed.
We'll see. Heard Mr. K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr.
RM Chaudhary.
R.M. Chaudhary, learned counsel by the petitioner. Come on, you have filed affidavit in item 28.
Yes, madam.
Are you sure?
Already filed, madam.
They have fine, yes.
It is submitted by Mr. G. Pegu, learned
Standing
counsel, elementary
Yes, madam.
education department. Submits that an affidavit has been filed in respect of, in WPC 601 or 2025. However, it rests for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in WPC 117 of 2026. Mr. Prayer is allowed and is agreed to be learned counsel for the person this matter after
Relatively immediately after the vacation.
after 3 weeks
Would your lordships kindly give a date, my lord?
on
14th of July, my lord.
14. Can you? I don't think so.
After 2020.
Or let it be, my lord, 21st.
21st. Huh? Because we have seen
Exactly.
that
Out
too,
of sheer
that too
experience.
just after the holiday.
Out of sheer, my lord, experience.
Okay.
Waiting for response.
Who are you?
Accountant.
It's okay. Record our name.
Deeply only.
Respond number 6.
Ha. Both of them.
Respond number 3.
Why you have kept quiet? Give your name, all of it. Just take their name. Just record their name.
Item 43 for orders. Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, we have not been able to communicate with the petitioners. Therefore, the court may proceed. We cannot.
Yes.
My lord,
We have no instructions.
yeah, they don't have appeared.
What do I say? What do you say?
Lordship,
What you have submitted?
They don't have any instruction.
we don't have any instructions.
And
We
they,
have no- we-
some of them were accommodated, they have joined. And some other are also accommodated, but they didn't join their service. And that's why I think they don't have any communication with their client. And
Lordship.
for last 2 occasions, they were not.
That
appeared.
means you have complied with.
I think we have complied, Lordship. And
I think you should be sure whether you have complied
yes, yes,
with
no,
or
I
not.
have the instruction, Lordship. I have the instruction that
Heard Mr.
6% has already been joined.
And Ali, on behalf of the
N. Ali, learned counsel appearing on behalf of
J.I. Borguia.
J.I. Borbu, learned counsel for the petition. Next para, Mr. SMT 60, learned counsel
For a response.
for Alice contemnants on instruction submits that the order of this court has duly been complied with. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. Are you sure?
Item 44.
Kindly see the last order.
Instruction is there.
Well, yes, well, some process is on, but due to some financial, some technical issues, well, we could not process, well, so I need some time.
Well, it is a matter of 2021, madam.
Heard Mr.
R is left.
Let's have it, because ultimately what do you want?
Okay, appointment.
You want your,
Appointment, madam.
appointment, provincialization.
Yes,
You be little lenient. Not by us. You be little lenient.
right.
Heard Mr.
R Islam.
Huh?
R Islam.
Our Islam learned counsel by the petitioner. Next para. On the prayer of Mr. P.K. Bora learned counsel for the Alice contemner. Further 3 weeks time is granted to place on record the compliance order.
Obliged, madam.
45.
45, Lordship, the petitioner has already received a salary, Lordship, that I have the instruction that I received that. from
Yes,
the
heard
instruction
MS.
Dima Saab.
MS.
Lordship may kindly pay.
MS.
E. Thakuria on behalf of.
B. Thakuria.
On behalf of.
Learned
PK
counsel
Goswami.
appearing on behalf of Dr. P.K. Goswami. Learned counsel by the petitioners. It is
I have the instruction, Lordship may kindly.
submitted by Mr. SMT 60, learned counsel for the Alice contemner.
And for 1 and 2.
By Alice contemner number 1 and 2. No. by placing the next para, by placing the communication dated 03/06/2024 from the Inspector of Schools, Dimahasab, Mr. So-and-so, SMT 60 learn counsel for the respondent number 1, Alice content number 1 and 2. Submits that the order of this court has duly been complied with. Accordingly, the contempt petition dispense. Closed the copy of the communication dated 03/06/2026 is kept on record. So
Yes.
Why don't we allow 2 weeks time to file the affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2?
Mr. On the prayer of Mr. Arthur, no, Mr. Arthur learned counsel for petitioner, respondent is granted 2 weeks time to
Yes.
file affidavit in reply to the
Right.
affidavit in the position filed by the respondents. MS, next para.
I'm for the respondent number 5.
Which one? Who is one? For respondent number 1, who is one? Mr. A. Pukan. Pukan. D. Permani, learned standing counsel, higher education, comma, N. Chaudhary, standing counsel for BTC as well as MS,
Debusri Chok.
D.
D. Chakraborty.
Chakraborty,
For respondent number
learned
5.
counsel for respondent are present. List after 3 weeks. List the matter after 3 weeks. Yes, next.
47.
Right.
Yet to receive instruction, madam. Can you grant?
Or Mr. M.U. Mandal, learned counsel for the petitioner. Any private respondent? No.
Yes.
As prayed for by Mr. G. Pego, learned standing counsel.
Elementary.
Elementary, so further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in reply. Next page. Next.
48.
In this way, the secretary had issued a letter to the director for submission of a proposal for arrears salary of the petition. This is my instruction here, madam. So sometime may be granted so that.
Heard Mr.
Yeah, Lashkar.
Huh?
Yeah, Lashkar.
There learned counsel for the petition. Next para. On the prayer of Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for the Alice contemner, 2 weeks time is granted to place on record the compliance report. Compliance order. Compliance order. 2 weeks.
No, madam, then 3 weeks or 4
3 weeks, compliance.
Madam, the date may be fixed. The date may be fixed.
Next. You give the date.
49.
Wait, please, my lord.
IA is for what?
My lord, IA is for my lord stating of the effect of one of the orders, my lord, 31/2025 order, my lord, and providing of midday meal to the students, my lord, of our school. My lord, my kindly peruse the order dated 34/26. We were directed to file a dusty affidavit, my lord, to the respondent number 8, that orange flag, my lord, A. That orange flag, my lord, A.
You filed an
I
affidavit?
filed.
Yes.
My lord, may kindly peruse the dusty affidavit, my lord.
Why it is listed for? For that only?
For that only.
Okay. Heard Mr.
PR, sir.
Beer?
PR.
Pierre Sharma, learned counsel for the applicant, writ petitioner.
Yes.
You are writ petitioner also?
Yes.
This IA is for what?
IA is for my lord, why, my lord, for restoration of the midday meal, my lord. What happened?
And also
that, my lord,
Mr.
PK Bora, my lord.
PK Bora, learned standing counsel for
1, 2, 3, 4.
standing counsel of
Standing counsel elementary.
Mr. As well as Mr. R. Got it? Respondent 5. Next para, the applicant has filed an affidavit showing the proof of as regards the proof of service of notice upon respondent number 8, which is taken on record. The perusal of the same indicates that. Where is that receipt?
My lord, they have refused to accept. That is why we have given an affidavit to their effect. My lord, a local person had accompanied us.
No, perusal of the same
My lord, may kindly have page 27 onwards, my lord.
indicates reflects that the respondent number 8 has refused to accept the notice. Accordingly, the notice, the service service of notice upon respondent number is deemed to have been is deemed to have been served. List the matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, there was one direction, my lord, in the order dated 34/26. Otherwise, I wouldn't have trouble, my lord. This is regarding the query which was posed by the honorable court regarding the midday meal. My lord, Mr. G. Pegu had appeared in the previous day, 34/26, regarding the midday meal of the children, my lord. My lord, that has not been addressed. It has been more than 1.5 hours.
We'll say after 3 weeks.
I'm so obliged.
Well,
15.
Appellate Lordship here, the department is.
Sorry.
The respondent is taking state. They are collecting the data from the concerned department in order to place before the DLC.
Heard Mr.
Alim Sheikh Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner as read for by Mr.
Arsana on behalf of the
R. Sahini.
Lordship.
Learned counsel for Alice Contender number 1.
Respondent number 1.
Let this matter be listed up. What I said on the prayer of. Let this matter be listed on after 3 weeks.
Lordship may kindly take up to 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Lordship.
On the next day, the learned counsel should respond to place the compliance order.
All right.
51.
Yes.
This is a non-compliance of your order, Lordship.
Yes. Who is appearing for the respondent?
As per the office note dated, Lordship, 25/2026.
One respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Sole respondent.
Respondent has appeared by the filing
Who
wakalat.
is respondent?
Sole respondent, Lordship.
What is his name?
As per the office note 25/26, Lordship. They have filed the wakalat number.
Utpal Sharma, registered, personal department, Gauhati University.
Yes, Your Honor.
Per council per university. MS so. Your name, please.
P. Lamu, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Once having been effected, the service upon respondent number, sole respondent, Alice Contender. Sole respondent, Alice Contender. Mr. PJ Pukod and R. Alam, then the councils have entered appearance by filing their power. Mr. Howard. They are present. How about the learned counsel to the petitioner, the sole respondents are not present. Next minute. In view of Let this matter be listed.
Can the matter be fixed portion
When?
after the vacation also?
After 3 weeks. On reopening, you just right. On 15,
14,
15, 15.
include this.
52.
I left 51 minutes. I was before court number 14 minutes.
51. Then we'll have to change. What fixing it? What is your stand?
Milord, I have filed an appeal, Milord.
Huh?
I have filed an appeal, Milord.
Just filing an appeal will not
Milord,
absorb you.
that's true, Milord. Sometime maybe given.
Then you in place of that, you delete all this thing. Item 51. Heard MS so and so, huh? Learn counsel and Mr. TJ Fukar learned counsel for Alice Contemna, sole respondent, Alice Contemna, as I agreed to by parties, let this matter be listed on 15. In between, you do whatever you would like to do.
Post of.
Hmm.
Maybe lost. My lord, kindly see the last order, my lord, the inspector of school Kamru, Amengao, my lord. This was served to a DC, but not fully appeared, my lord.
This is, respondent is?
Respondent is inspector of the school, Amengao Kamru, my lord.
Inspector school.
Yes, my lord.
So,
Postal address also sharp, he delivered to him, my lord.
you take Dusty?
Lastly, he refused, my lord, because there is contempt proceeding, he refused, my lord.
What refused?
So, my lord, regarding the Dusty, who will serve the copy, my lord, the inspector of school, my lord, which is a government party, my lord.
Where is the direction? Where is the direction, sir?
Regarding contempt petition. Dusty is the, my lord. Take second time, but Dusty is, my lord, is problem. And regarding my salary part, my lord, 2015 husband. And as per postal address, the notice is served, my lord. The address is received, my lord. Flag 1, my lord. Kindly, my lord, flag 1. But he is intentionally is avoiding, my lord, perhaps, my lord.
But it's shown delivered.
Oh, yes, my lord. Flag K, my lord. Kindly say last, my lord. Flag K1, my last column, my lord. Flag 1, last. It is addressee.
You deliver addressee?
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
It doesn't say so. Office note doesn't say so.
Office note does not.
Postal journal, postal track detail, responsible has been tagged.
Postal address reflect, my lord. Office.
Or Mr.
HLM.
HLE learned counsel for the petitioner. Although ID card, neither the ID card nor the unserved notice has received back. The postal report is shown to have shown that the item has been delivered to addressee. Crystal. Therefore, it is not discernible as to whether it has been in fact delivered to the addressee. In view of Mr. Ali learned counsel for this to take process steps. Within a week, you take process steps. We'll see.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
List the matter after 4 weeks.
My lord. Date given, otherwise it is not listed, my lord. And date may be given, my lord.
16. Give way to others also. Give a chance to your friend who is behind you. Who is behind you?
His lordship, as per office note dated 15/6/26, notice was issued upon the respondent 6/7.
Heard Mr.
P. Buragohain.
T.
P. Buragohain.
P. Borowahan and counsel for the petitioner. Office note dated 15/06/2026 reflects that ID card, neither ID card nor any answer notice has been received back. In respect of the respondent number 6, however, the this 6 and 7, huh? 6, upon response 6 and 7, however, postal consignment reports indicate that the item has been delivered to the respective addressee. In view of the notices upon response 6 and 7, is deemed to have been served. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
List for admission after 3 weeks. I told it's a contempt. Yes.
Lordship, as for office note, services awaited, Lordship. Services awaited, Lordship.
Add MS S. Laskar, non-counsel for the petition. S. Laskar,
Yes, Lordship.
non-counsel for the petitioners. Petitioner. What says? But in respect of respondent number? You have filed have you taken dusty service?
Yes, Lordship.
Then you have not filed affidavit.
We will file. Lordship, kindly grant us 2 days.
No, then in the only no, MS S. Laskar, counsel for the petitioner. Press for and granted a week's time to file affidavit showing the proof of dusty service upon respondent number 6.
I am appearing for 4 and 5. So copy may be served.
Mr.
C. Sharma.
C. Sharma, counsel for
4 and 5.
what is number? Who is respondent 4 and 5?
NCL's education.
For respondent 5.
I am
And
appearing for number 3 here also. I have also not served with instructor.
then you write MS P. Deka.
R.
R. Deka, sorry, land counsel. And Mr.
C. Sharma.
C. Sharma have enters appearance on behalf of respondent 3, 4, and 5. Mr. Land counsel for the petitioner to serve the extra copies to the land counsel for respondent number 3, 4, and 5.
55.
Dear Lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Jed Khalid for respondent number 8, Lutfun Nahar.
Service is complete, Lordship.
Lordship, we have already filed a wakalatnama. Kindly grant 4 weeks to file the affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship.
RMS
SR Majarbuya.
SR
Majarbuya.
Majarbuya land counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Arif Khan on behalf of Jed
Arif Khan, land counsel for land counsel appearing on behalf of
Jed Khalid.
Mr. Z. Khalid. No, land counsel have entered appearance on behalf of respondent number 8. by filing their power list better. You are also Mr. R. Saloy and Mr. G. Pego. Standing council and you right? You are standing council? Element and Mr. R. Solai. Solai? Yes. Solai? Saloy. Saloy or Solai? Saloy. Of course, it's not men's box. For respondent numbers?
3, 4.
3, 4. Are present, huh? List for admission after 4 weeks.
Date.
4 weeks. The second time it has come.
Supplementary 60, 61. In this case, Lord, I need some accommodation, Lord. Let it come after vacation. Both the cases, Lord.
And Mr.
S. Halim.
S. Alim and Mr.
R Islam Lordship.
R. Islam, London Council for the Petitioners. Next para. Mr. SMT 60. No, the request of Mr. SMT London Council for the Petitioner.
Respondents.
For at least contempt. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Any date
to
after vacation.
Place
Instruction, Lord.
not instruction. To place the complaints
No, this order is not in.
for instruction in that case. For instruction.
Apply to you.
One date may kindly be fixed. Any date after vacation.
What was the direction?
Pardon me?
What was the direction?
There is a cabinet decision to give some pay benefit to the fixed to the teachers who were appointed on fixed scale. But that ultimately that cabinet has withdrawn that decision. That is in the meantime the order has been passed. So we are reviewing all the highly reviewing all these cases because it is a non-implementable order. On the basis of a cabinet decision, the order was passed. Ultimately, cabinet found out they have taken a wrong decision. So accordingly, they have withdrawn that.
As agreed to by parties, list the matter on
After 3 weeks, no six.
22nd.
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 Deeply obliged.
62.
Lordships, kindly peruse the official order dated 13/5/2026, my lord. In this case, my lord, the annexer 12, my lord, it is wrongly mentioned WBC number 5293. It should be 5392. But this officially it is wrongly, my lord, mentioned.
What this is listed for?
This case leads to non-payment of salary, my lord.
Listed for today it is
Today
listed
is for others.
So
So it should be go for admission, but till today they have not filed any affidavit.
at MSK they will learn council for the petitioners.
Elementary. Oh, no, secondary. Secondary.
Services complete.
Services.
List for admission after 4 weeks.
Apply to you.
After 3 weeks, petitioner did.
It's not possible.
Huh?
6 weeks.
Data দিব নেকি? My lord, shall I get a date, my lord? Because this is a case
Second
of
time, it is second time. Listed for second time. 4 weeks we'll see. It will be listed. Yes.
Lordship, item 63, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see office note 15/6/2026. For office note 15/6/26, service has been completed to the respondent number 3 and 4. I have taken steps by way of drafty service, Lordship, and I have filed affidavit also, Lordship.
Office note dated 15/06/2026 reflects that yes, whatever this three has received
Three
for
and
both 3 and 4.
3 and 4 both. Both
Where
lordship,
you have stated?
lordship, I have filed an affidavit lordship at page.
No.
Affidavit.
The petitioner, by filing the affidavit in respect of the proof of justice service, no, service of notices upon respondent number 3 and 4 by Dusty Mode. What I say? The petitioner has stated that the where you have stated
Lordship.
Para
Lordship, there are 2, page 58, 2 and 3. Paragraph 3, specifically paragraph 3, lordship. Page 58, lordship. Paragraph 3, lordship.
Stating that the respondent, what I say? The affidavit, the notices have been received by the petitioner. Number 3, is of in view of notice upon respondents number 3 and 4 is deemed to have been completed. This for admission after 4 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
Lordship,
Hmm.
the office note dated 11/5/26. The service upon the respondent on 7/12 is still awaited.
Still awaited. It is shown items delivered. Heard MS? Your name, please.
D-Roy.
D. Roy, Land Counsel for the petitioner. If it is shown delivered, we have to presume it, is not it? Although neither ID card nor any RCF notices have been received back in respect of respondent 7 to 12, the postal consignment reports indicates the items have been delivered. List of in view of the services upon respondent number 7 to 12 is deemed to have been served. Mr. Esbora,
Hello, I am appearing for
Learned Standing Counsel,
SSA.
SSA and MS P. Bora.
And Fukon.
Sorry, and Pukan. Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education and are so and so are present. List for admission. Did I say?